हार रहे हो, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर वो ग्रेसफुली आप कहते हो बॉयज प्ले।
Diamond rings are not a necessity. You will never need a diamond ring. However, now they've like established it as a necessity that people feel like they need it. But yeah, so Saint Nicholas is basically the origin story of Santa Claus. Till I think in the 1930s, Coca-Cola hired an artist to make an image of Santa Claus, which is the image of Santa Claus that everybody resonates with today.
But like, maybe you hunted last night and you had meal in the morning.
Fridge नहीं होती ना ज़माने में. No, so a lot of health specialists say कि breakfast you should skip because उठते आप खाना खाते हो आपका metabolism activate होता है.
Again fact check करवाना.
We should fact check.
I think कि हमने इतना सुन लिया है.
Basic चले we should fact check. I agree. But this line was started by a cereal company just so that they could sell cereal.
So their perception was we should include more women as part of like the culinary industry, and like we should give them opportunities and make a space for them. But for some reason they chose the very sexist and very misogynistic statement of women belong in the kitchen.
अब इस तरह की पैनल बैठा होगा 4 लौंडे.
Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to a new episode where we discuss all things creative. आज का टॉपिक है Can ad campaigns change the world?
Just because Daniel is in the podcast, you didn't say okay, we're the brightest, shiners, and like no, nothing.
Yeah, I felt like कि लोग ना वो seriously लेना शुरू कर देंगे कि मैं genuinely कह रही हूँ.
और दानियाल अंदर आया हुआ है.
नहीं दानियाल से कोई नहीं है, लेकिन जो लोग इकट्ठे होते हैं ना हर हफ्ते, मैं उनके साथ नहीं कह सकती कि वो brightest, smartest, fittest, whatever है. इसलिए
fittest.
Yeah.
So today's podcast is very male dominant because just because
sexism. But okay, so can ad campaigns change the world? It's a very wide topic, but we're very excited to talk about the ad campaigns that have influenced us and that we have seen influenced society around us, and also just discuss if this is actually a thing or do people just believe it is. So starting it off, what I wanted to know is, before you guys were in marketing, abhi all of us, we are in a marketing and advertising field, we can understand the importance of ads, we can understand the story, the narrative behind them, the purpose. Before you guys were in this field, what was your relationship with advertisements? Was it something that had an influence on you as a consumer, or was it something that you were very indifferent towards?
So, that's our pause.
Pause for dramatic.
Yeah.
And then we continue.
So obviously there has been a great effect whenever I've been seeing ads because मुझे तो concepts और scripts शुरू से बहुत inspire करती थी. I used to.
शुरू से मतलब बचपन से?
या जब से होश था.
होश कब संभाला?
वो अभी तक नहीं आया.
क्या आप कभी दरख्त पे चढ़े थे?
Yeah.
ये क्या सवाल हुआ?
Oh yeah, I saw one of those. I don't want to name the podcast, but
okay.
उसके अंदर वो एक खातून ना फिर इस तरह के सवाल पूछती है.
तो आप
It sounds like क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है?
हाँ, क्या आपके टूथपेस्ट में नमक है?
So इस तरह की ads हम शुरू से देख रहे हैं.
What is the oldest ad you remember?
The oldest ad I remember is वो एक अंकल आके कहते थे click.
You know, if I can recall couple of ads, like एक होता है ना जो I'm going to talk about Pakistani ads, like top of your mind वाली. एक मुझे याद आता है 0900786001. I think that was it. And then बिल्ली रोटी ताज़ी थी ding dong मतलब like as much as I hate jingles, but these two.
But the ding dong ads were very.
Yeah, I think they even iconic. Back then they were iconic because. Yeah. एनिमेशन आ रही थी, सब कुछ आ रहा था, मतलब
गाना तो सारे गाने गाते थे.
I also remember a lot of पुराने जो पेप्सी के एड्स आते थे क्रिकेट वाले वसीम अकरम एंड शोएब अख्तर एंड व्हाटनॉट, लाइक वो तो गाना
like you know ironically I remember all the ads which had a jingle in it and I still hate jingles.
I keep telling you jingles I meant to create recall and proved that by the fact that you still remember that.
The best jingles in ads that I have heard is the Super Wala. like शहरों में गाँव में
But
that
that's
one.
quite recent, I guess.
Yeah.
पुराने ads में.
I think उसको भी 5-10
Sir,
साल
आप
हो
अपनी
गए।
मेरा बचपन है वो।
नहीं, उसको भी 5-10 साल हो गया।
हाँ,
नहीं 5 साल से ज़्यादा
I think he's the
when
closest
I
to my
was
age,
younger
right?
Yeah.
But you're still younger than me, right?
Maybe I look younger.
We have Daniel. Daniel is a very
Sass queen.
Yeah,
and he looks younger.
Can we please not call him queen? I
Yeah.
feel it's not right.
I can't call him king. That's
But at the same
Yeah,
time,
we don't call him
Daniel is a veteran in the advertising industry. He's worked with Alibaba. He's worked in all the advertising agencies possible. And thank you,
Possible.
Daniel.
Thank
Thank you,
joining
Daniel,
us
for
today.
joining us today.
Yeah.
For giving us the opportunity to talk to you and get your insights about this advertising world. Anyways, we were on
I
the
also
topic.
have a fun fact based on what you just said. I just remembered.
I do not
Also,
like. I was.
We've said fun fact so many times on this podcast. Daniel was the one that started it all by asking where is the fun in the
So
fact?
basically उसको
I-
कोई किसी ने एक fact सुनाया था ये कह के कि oh I have a fun fact and the person told him the fact and he was like that's a fact, where's the fun? So that's why we say fun
So it's
fact.
become a thing
Yeah.
since
So,
then.
so the fun fact here is कि he and I work together in I think 3 different agencies. So
Yeah.
we go way back and हम दोनों ने career अपना शुरू start किया था.
So basically आप कह रहे हो कि nepotism
शुरू
से आया
start किया
He's not.
Start शुरू से किया.
Start.
शुरू से start
शुरू से
किया
start
था.
किया. Whatever
So
you guys
basically
get
we
what I
As
mean.
opposed to everybody
नहीं,
else
but
शुरू से
start
start अपना
together.
career नहीं
साथ शुरू
किया.
किया था.
आप
That's
ये
the
कहना
one.
चाह रहे हो nepotism से आया, right?
No.
नहीं,
that's
तब
not
हम
what
एक
I'm
दूसरे को
saying.
नहीं जानते थे.
We didn't know
but
each other. I'm
sadly
saying
we
कि
know
we
each other.
ended up
Oh,
working
yeah.
in 3 agencies
Okay.
together.
So coming back to the.
Coming back to the question.
Yes.
So
क्वेश्चन क्या था?
before you were in marketing, did you think that ads had an influence?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example I think everybody can relate with is Commander Safeguard.
Oh yeah.
I think that really changed the game in Pakistani industry when it came to actually having an impact on people and their behavior. So I think काफी बच्चे जो थे उससे inspire हुए थे कि अच्छा यार germs बुरी चीज़ है, Safeguard is the only thing that can help you fight against it. And I think there are a lot of cases out there as well documenting the success of that campaign. And it was quite a long running.
I still use Safeguard.
I changed my I
still
मैं
think Safeguard is the only
मैंने अपनी
soap
अम्मा
that
को
can
कहा
kill
Safeguard
bacteria.
use करेंगे.
So-
So it
वो
actually
भी था
worked.
ना बबलू तेरा साबुन स्लो है क्या?
नहीं वो बेकार
Safeguard
था. ठीक है अच्छा था लेकिन that was not as effective
But it
as
was
Commander
Safeguard,
Safeguard.
right?
वो
It was
क्या?
live
Dare
boy.
to
It was
Kachra
live
Rani.
boy. It was live boy.
All of those
That's
characters
true.
were iconic thing.
We ended up naming
Kachra Rani.
different people in
Yeah,
our school.
Kachra
Like
Rani.
our school had a Dirtu. We had a Kachra Rani.
Yes, कोई ना कोई cousins में भी होता था.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was the thing.
We
That was
even like I don't want to make this point, but we used to call someone Kachra running at an agency.
Did she know?
Yeah, she knew.
Is it an agency I worked at with you?
No.
प्यारे बच्चों,
Anyways.
I'm totally against bullying. मैं बिल्कुल bully नहीं करता.
No, but that's the impact ads have on you. Like you start relating people, and you
Yeah.
start.
सबने
searching for
मेरी
them
तरफ
in
ऐसे
real life.
देखे कहाँ किया है?
So that is an impact
Okay,
that ads can
so
do.
What is तुम्हें कौन सा याद है?
ये जो Safeguard वाली बात है.
Safeguard वाला.
Yeah.
इससे ज़्यादा पीछे मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा ads याद नहीं है to be honest. मुझे हाँ ad wise I don't remember.
So एक Prince biscuit की ad आती थी जिसके अंदर वो Prince like उन्होंने proper like it was also an animation like it also goes. like-
बल्कि एक ad
But
भी
you
आता
know,
है. Colgate का ad याद है?
मैं STN के जमाने में का हूँ, like.
I remember it.
कौन सा
Like,
जमाना?
Yeah.
5 channels होते
उस पे कैप्टन प्लैनेट एंड ऑल दोस
Oh,
थिंग्स
I love that.
और वी यूज्ड टू वॉच दैट अब तो उसका इंडियन वर्जन बहुत अजीब सा कर दिया है, जंगली बिल्लियां और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
Swat Cats का?
Swat Cats का.
There's an Indian
There's an
version?
Indian
Yeah.
version of it. Like there is a whole Hindi version of it. ठीक है.
Okay.
बड़े म्याओ छोटे म्याओ ठीक है. But like
दिखता है वहाँ पे.
so SWAT Cats was वाले ज़माने में that's when you used to watch ads and ads used to have an impact. ठीक है. मुझे तो अगर वो उस वाले ज़माने का करूँ तो आई वुड रिमेम्बर ये नहीं होता फर्टिलाइजर्स के एड बहुत आया करते थे उस
अच्छा,
ज़माने
मुझे
में.
नहीं
या
पता.
बिकॉज
Interesting.
सी PTV and all these channels were we used to watch them with an antenna. ठीक है.
I remember,
So
yeah,
उस पे
yeah.
जो भी आएगा you don't really have like at that time you did not have an option. ठीक है. जिनके घर मतलब I'm fortunate enough कि I had a TV at that time तो मतलब we used to watch these things. बाद में आई केबल वगैरह. केबल से भी पहले एक चीज आई थी डिश टीवी टाइप
Yeah.
चीज थी.
Yeah, I remember
तो
Dish TV.
उसके बाद वैरायटी आई थी AXN मिला बाकी चीजें
Oh, I
मिली.
remember. Yes, I
Oh,
know.
yeah.
यार
AXN
I
was a
used
good
to love
channel.
AXN खास तौर पे they used to have this thing called the Amazing Race.
I love
Love
the
the
Amazing. There was also
Amazing
Who
Race.
Dares
Such a
Dares
fun
Moose.
show.
So in general,
White
let's
House
move
भी.
to the next
Yeah.
point. But like all of these things, ना you remember.
Yeah.
So अगर मैं कह रहा हूँ मुझे वही 2 ad याद है. मतलब it's I'm trying to recall. मतलब
It was
after
the
I
Sona
came back
Yuria
to
ad.
advertising,
The Sona Yuria ad,
है।
because उस वक्त बहुत
Oh,
ज़्यादा
yes,
जो है ना,
Sona
Multani
Yuria.
fertilizers के ad चलते
ओए
थे।
एक और मुझे ना ad बहुत याद है। It was I can't remember the name. So because again jingle नहीं है पर वो गाना था। So they sponsored at that time ना I think Shoaib Mansoor was making a lot of music videos which were sponsored by
तो वो तो नहीं अनारकली वाला
अनारकली वाला।
इश्क
Yeah.
मोहब्बत
इश्क
अपना-
मोहब्बत
क्या
अपना-
ad था वो।
जबरदस्त।
Supreme
Supreme
Ishq,
Ishq,
यार,
गाने का
amazing।
गाना और ad।
मतलब what an amazing
तुलसी का ad मुझे याद है।
तुलसी का ad से याद है
ना
मुझे।
मुझे अब याद आना
हाँ
शुरू
क्योंकि वो they used to do these old मेहदी हसन के गाने
हम
Yes.
जिसे
But like,
लाजवाब कहते
हम
हैं।
जिसे लाजवाब
Yes.
कहते हैं।
But I think
मुझे
सर, हम
सॉरी टू
पुराने
कट
हैं, ये लोग नए हैं।
Yeah.
एक और मुझे इस चीज़ याद आ गई कि जब केबल आई थी घर में तो मैं नेट जियो बहुत देखना शुरू हो गया था, तो नेट जियो फिर इंडिया के पास चला गया तो इंडियन एड्स, तो मुझे आइडिया, वोडाफोन
Oh, I
और उनके
remember.
वो साइड
Airtel के भी ads आते थे
एयरटेल
बहुत,
उनके
yeah.
एड्स मुझे वो
But I think
बहुत
so.
याद
I
है।
think the conversation should be that we all remember ads.
Yeah.
We all agreed. But do they make an impact? I think that's the
Can
question
they
we should
change
be.
society?
Yeah, can they change
Ah.
society?
I don't think they can change society, but they do make an impact.
But like, do they create any sort of positive change at any level whatsoever?
Yes,
They
छोटा
do,
से
I
छोटा
agree,
करते
yeah.
they do.
I
At least-
I don't agree with it, but again मुझे ऐसा लगता है
So I want to know why you guys agree and why you disagree with that.
चलो agree वाले वाले
agree
आपने
वाले
बताना।
वाले
So, like I gave the example of Commander Safeguard, कि that is something जो कि हम यहाँ 5 लोगों में बैठे 2 लोग कह रहे हैं कि हमारा behavior उससे influence हुआ था. So that is a change, a
Yeah.
tangible change. इसी तरह I remember we did a campaign for innovative biscuits called Starting Now Pani Bachao. So it was aimed at teaching kids about water conservation. And we ended up winning an award for that. वैसे. But and there was
Casual brag.
Casual
Humble
brag.
brag.
Yeah. But it also resulted in a lot of change because we did a lot of like BTR activities and stuff. So we got a lot of data and feedback as well, and kids were starting to, you know, talk about and change their habits to conserve more water. So again, that is a positive, tangible change. इसी तरह international campaigns इतने थे. I was talking to him before we
Yeah.
started recording. When we both started together, another fun fact, our ECD then
Very
made us
fun.
watch like 100 Cannes Award ads. So उसमें कई ads थे, they were aimed at making change. So I remember there was an ad campaign called Hologram for Change somewhere in the European Union. I don't
Yeah.
remember
Okay.
exactly which country. So वहाँ पे हुआ ये था कि एक political crisis था and they had banned protests in front of the embassy, in front of the government buildings. But people still wanted to protest. So what a brand did, I can't remember the brand as well, but it was a really cool campaign. What they did was they used hologram technology and they
Yeah.
recorded people's messages, like them holding a messages, them verbal messages, and then they played those in front of that those government buildings in the form of holograms. So वो visually जब उन्होंने एक वो play किया था, it seemed like there were like 1,000 people in front of that building, but there was nobody there. And उससे जो visuals create हुए थे, जो उससे conversation शुरू हुई थी, those issues about them not being able to protest their rights, they had got a lot of international mileage and people started talking about it. And the government had to, you know, kind of lift certain restrictions that they had put on the people. So I think इस तरह का impact ज़रूर होता है, and this is just one example. इस तरह के कई examples हैं where advertising has been used to make positive
आई
change.
थिंक मेरा इससे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, वो ये है कि लाइक जैसे कमांडर सेफगार्ड वाला है, कोई भी ऐसी एग्जांपल हो, बहुत छोटे स्केल पे पर्सनल लेवल पे चीज़ें होती हैं रादर देन इन अ मैसिव स्केल.
that is where
Yeah.
I think
So
दोनों
basically,
चीज़ें
I
होती
मुझे
हैं.
ऐसा लगता है कि if you have मतलब जब मैं कह रहा हूँ ना कि do they change, I think my concern comes from do they change people's behavior or like,
They do.
They do,
But
they
very
do.
small
I
scale.
genuinely think even filmmaking, even all of those things cannot change people. ठीक है?
Yeah, they can't.
It does bring a topic point, and again, they're not working on a very macro level. ये बहुत micro level पे बात हो रही होती है, ठीक है? आप मुझे कह रहे हो कि आज पाकिस्तान ये ad चलाने लग जाता है कि भाई आप अपने fertilizers डालें और organic डालें वगैरह, ठीक है? Do you think या वो जो ads आने लग जाते हैं कि जी आग ना लगाओ because smoke हो रहे हैं and all those things, do you think they actually start changing people's behavior? They
No,
don't,
no.
ठीक है? I always
I
believe कि
slightly
ads
disagree with that.
start a conversation. What I believe in, or these marketing tactics start a conversation, but they can't, like, they don't, with one ad you can't change people's buying behaviors. ठीक है? You can't change people's opinion. It is a whole process, and again, I always believe कि it needs to be a collaborative effort of the industry rather than one company itself. ठीक है? अगर आप बात कर रहे हो, let's say कि हम लोग ये जो कमांडर सेफगार्ड की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? कमांडर सेफगार्ड ने लोगों को अवेयरनेस क्रिएट की, ठीक
Yeah.
है? कि जी आप ये एंटीबैक्टीरियल करो, बट डिटोल पहले भी ये कर रहा था. जब डिटोल आ गया, वो भी यही बात कर रहे हैं, सेफगार्ड भी यही बात कर रहे हैं, लाइफबॉय भी यही बात कर रहे हैं. जब 3 ब्रांड्स ने ये बात करना स्टार्ट की, देन पीपल स्टार्टेड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जी एंटीबैक्टीरियल सोप्स एग्जिस्ट, ठीक है, और उनको इस्तेमाल करना, बट अगर आप कहोगे ना कि खाली कमांडर सेफगार्ड ने ये सारा चेंज लेके आए, तो आई डोंट लाइक
अच्छा, मैं
बड़ी एक चीज होती है ना, टिपिंग पॉइंट जो
Yeah.
है।
But nahi, so Commander Safeguard was never positioned as an antibacterial soap. It was positioned as a soap that gets rid of all the germs. So antibacterial products के साथ उसको club करना, I think that थोड़ा सा वो gray areas आ जाता है. I still stand by कि हाँ campaigns like Commander Safeguard, like the innovative element ने जो बताया, they do influence behavior. I still think they do.
So you guys
They can
say
create an
Again,
impact.
I want to
change.
know, मैं सिर्फ ये कहता हूँ, देखो आई एम नॉट स्टिकिंग टू दिस पॉइंट कि भाई वो दे डोंट मेक एन इम्पैक्ट, दे डोंट चेंज, ठीक है. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, डू वी हैव इनफ डेटा टू एनालाइज कि दिस ad or this thing, this campaign has changed X amount of people? That's where my
Yes,
concern
we
comes
do.
कि analytical data is very very
We do.
important, ठीक
I'll
है.
tell you why. Because when you make case studies for these, और ये सारे इनका ultimately purpose होता है Khan Award जीतना.
Yeah.
So when they do apply for awards, they do collect all of that data. Data के बगैर you can't even apply.
Yeah.
There's no point in applying. जितना मर्जी आपका ad campaign अच्छा हो, but अगर आपका data नहीं support करने के लिए you get shot down. So data exists and I've seen
Okay,
data.
so आप ये बात कर रहे हो इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे.
No,
ठीक है?
national level पे भी.
Natural, मेरे मुताबिक इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे कई एड्स हैं जिन लोगों ने काफी इम्पैक्ट लेके आए हैं,
Yeah.
ठीक है. लाइक आई रिमेंबर द वॉक्सवैगन का, जब उन लोगों ने वो अपनी वो गाड़ी के बारे में दे मेड अ होल कैंपेन लाइक हाउ इट्स स्मॉल एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. इट वाज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल कैंपेन, ठीक है. इट पीपल हैड अ परसेप्शन अबाउट कि वॉक्सवैगन छोटी है, बट लाइक इट द होल थिंग दे पोजीशन देमसेल्फ वेल. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट पाकिस्तान इन जनरल कि आप मुझे ये बता दो, मुझे नहीं याद कि लास्ट 1 decade, I'll not go back that, एक डेकेड में किस एड ने लोगों का कंजम्पशन पैटर्न चेंज किया?
Let me think on that. And I am going to answer it during this podcast.
Let's just consider कि I'm
Decade.
curious. I'm curious. Let's say I have zero awareness about this thing. I'd love to know.
सर्फ एक्सेल का एग्जांपल नहीं आती इसमें? सर्फ
हाँ,
एक्सेल
Surf
जितना
Excel
दाग
is
तो
a good
नहीं
example.
है।
It's a good example.
लाइक सर्फ एक्सेल की जो सेल्स के राइट
Sir,
रियल
first
वाज
of
लीडिंग
all,
आई थिंक,
सर्फ
नॉट
एक्सेल
really
दाग तो
was
अच्छे
leading.
हैं. हम एक पिछली एपिसोड में भी किसी भी सर्फ एक्सेल लिए थे, दाग तो अच्छे होते हैं. Is not something which is positioned only for Pakistan, just to clarify,
yeah.
ठीक है.
Actually, we talking
It is
about
the-
just Pakistan.
It is
The
global. I
national.
just want
अच्छा.
to understand, and again, I want to understand, ठीक है. And I would want to be aware.
Just Pakistan.
कौन सी one campaign which originated from Pakistan, maybe we're not all aware of, and this can be like a food for thought
I
kind of
know
thing
one.
we will do. But कौन सी ऐसी campaign है which created that much impact, जो globally resonate करने लगे, या पाकिस्तान में भी resonate कर दिया, जिससे लोगों का buying pattern change कर दिया?
बाइंग पैटर्न की बात नहीं है, एक परसेप्शन चेंज की थी एक
Okay,
ऐड ने.
perception.
तुम जीतो या हारो, हमें तुमसे प्यार है, क्रिकेट टीम के बारे में जलील हो रही थी क्रिकेट टीम. फिर लोगों ने कहना शुरू कर दिया कि नहीं, तुम जीतो या हारो, हमें तुमसे प्यार है. बहुत फर्क पड़ रहा था. उसके बाद मिसबा की इज्जत वापस आ गई थी. ये बाबर आजम वाला
सर,
सारा
मैं
टाइम.
चेल्सी को सपोर्ट करता हूँ जब
आप पाकिस्तान की बात
मैं
कर रहे
वैसे
हो।
बात कर रहा हूँ. मैं जब चेल्सी को सपोर्ट करता हूँ ना, जब हम लोग हार रहे होते हैं ना, we're like all pissed off, ठीक
Yeah,
है.
understand.
ऐसे ही जैसे उसके बाद ना कोई मैनेजर चेंज होता है, कुछ होता है, हम कहते हैं यार एटलीस्ट बॉयज आर ट्राइंग, ठीक है.
Yeah.
वो मुझे लगता है इंजमामुल हक का जो है ना एक लाइन ना, बॉयज प्लेड वेल, ठीक है, वो मेड मोर इम्पैक्ट देन दिस सॉन्ग itself. तो आई एम नॉट सेइंग, वो देखो एक होता है ना, आप हार रहे हो, आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर वो
Yeah,
ग्रेसफुली
नहीं
आप
कह
कहते हो
सकते,
बॉयज प्लेड वेल, ठीक
हाँ,
है.
तो वो कह
That's-
रहा हूँ, जो जीतो या हारो, हमें तुमसे प्यार है, लाइक अ कैंपेन जो रियली क्रिकेट में एक वो पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, उससे पहले सिर्फ बैशिंग होती थी, ये बिक जाते हैं, इस तरह की बातें होती थी. बट इस पूरी कैंपेन के बाद पॉजिटिव एड्स भी बनना शुरू हुए थे अबाउट क्रिकेट इटसेल्फ, जनरली स्पीकिंग.
अच्छा, अगर
And
क्रिकेट
शायद
क्रिकेट पे करो ना, मुझे एक ही ऐड याद है. आई थिंक इट केम फ्रॉम वो इंडिया आया था, मुझे याद नहीं है किसका, वो जो जाके पटाखे लेके जाता है, उसके लिए वगैरह लेके
हाँ,
जाता है,
मौका,
ठीक है?
मौका।
मौका लाइक दैट इज वन ऐड व्हिच आई रिमेंबर. अगेन
Yeah, I also
मुझे
remember
ऐसे लगता है
the
कि
Jazba
एडवर्टाइजिंग ना आप
I
लोग
really
सारे
love that ad.
I love
Jazz
the
वाला
Jazba
था
Junoon,
ना?
हाँ, it's
यार मैं भी देखता हूँ, मेरी आंखों में आंसू आते हैं.
it's a really good Jazba
Okay,
Junoon.
that's great. यानी so ad impacts
It does.
emotionally.
वो जाते
Absolutely.
नहीं
नहीं, अली जफर वाला था जज्बा. ये
मैं-
जज्बा
मेरा ये
हाँ।
ओपिनियन है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पाकिस्तान इंडस्ट्री इज डूइंग ग्रेट वर्क. मेनी अदर इंडस्ट्रीज आर डूइंग ग्रेट वर्क. वी आर ऑल इन एडवर्टाइजिंग. इट्स हम ये तो नहीं कह सकते ना कि हम लोग कर ही नहीं रहे कोई काम. मुझे ओवरऑल लगता है कि एक चीज को ना, नंबर 1 टाइम लगता है. यू कांट जस्ट चेंज डज नॉट हैपन ओवरनाइट. मतलब मेरा बिलीफ ये है. अब मुझे अगर ये कहो कि खाली एक कंपनी इतना कोई इम्पैक्टफुल चीज़ बना दे कि वो लोगों का एक चीज़ के बारे में कॉन्सेप्ट ही बदल जाए, I'd love to see बट उसको
But
भी ना
that's something
टाइम
that
लगता है,
has
ठीक है? लाइक
happened.
इफ यू डव की एग्जांपल देने लगी हो ना,
नहीं,
ठीक
मैं
है?
डव की example
But
नहीं लगी. I was
मेरी
going
डव
to
की
give an
एग्जांपल ऐसी है
example.
कि उन लोगों ने इतना, यहाँ ना मैं बात कर रहा हूँ एड की, ठीक है? मुझे ऐसा लगता है एड itself no, but campaigns do change.
Yeah,
people's
campaigns.
behavior,
Yeah.
ठीक है?
So
So
in
that's
terms of
where
like
I want
ads
to
and
bring
campaigns
the
as
Agreed,
well.
this
हाँ,
thing,
yeah.
ठीक है? आपने जब मुझे कहा ना कि एड वाली बात पे मैंने डिसएग्री किया, बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कैंपेन्स इट इज डिफरेंट टच पॉइंट्स. इसने बात की कि वो बहुत थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट होता है. मुझे लगता है कैंपेन्स आर समथिंग व्हिच इम्पैक्ट्स, ठीक है?
Agreed,
yeah.
आपके टच पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए
हाँ.
फ्रॉम न्यूज़पेपर टू गोइंग टू स्कूल्स, गोइंग टू यूनिवर्सिटीज. एग्जांपल के तौर पर लेट्स से एक कैंपेन हो रही है, उसके अंदर आप जब डिफरेंट टच पॉइंट्स पे कर रहे हो, आप डिफरेंट चीज़ों को केटर कर रहे हो. यू हैव फिजिकल प्रेजेंसेस, यू हैव डिजिटल प्रेजेंसेस, यू हैव पीपल टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, ठीक है? मतलब एज मच एज I hate it, but like when governments do advertisement, but I thought the Maryam Nawaz wali campaign, which was many people were very against it, कि जी ये सारे celebrities are क्यों उसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं, influencers क्यों बोल रहे हैं. At the same time पे I was listening to those campaigns, I saw all those videos and मुझे ना काम होता हुआ एटलीस्ट नजर आता. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट कि उन लोगों ने क्या किया क्या नहीं, बट देयर वर सम स्टैटिस्टिकल फिगर्स व्हिच आई वाज एक्चुअली understanding, ठीक है? Whether they did it or not, I will not go into that debate whether it but I got awareness कि okay this is something which is happening. अभी
think
तो हम
how
लोग
you
अगर
do it
बात
also
करें कि
matters,
इंटरनेट
हाँ.
नहीं आता, बाकी कुछ नहीं आता, तो मैं किसी भी गवर्नमेंट को सक्सेसफुल नहीं कहूंगा, ठीक है? बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट हाउ इट्स प्रेजेंटेड,
Yeah.
डिफरेंट टच पॉइंट्स ना, ये मैटर करता है. सो आई एम
बिल्कुल.
टॉकिंग अबाउट टच
I
पॉइंट्स.
agree
I know
with
you
you
don't
on
agree
the
with the campaign, and especially
Yeah.
after the
Yeah.
incidents which just happened, you
Yeah,
have
but-
negative sentiment. But I'm just talking about मैं politics को बहुत दूर रखना चाहूंगा, but I'm in form of advertising. Touch points and how the campaign is positioned matter.
I agree
Adding on
with
to-
you on the fact that like campaigns do matter, and I
Yeah.
want to get to that in like a second. However, in terms of ads and the kind of influence that they can have, I feel like even if positive, maybe it's not a positive change. Maybe they're not changing something for the better. But in terms of changing perceptions, I feel like ads can do that. And I want to give an example of diamond engagement rings, not specifically Pakistan catered, but
Tanishq. जब भी डायमंड एंगेजमेंट
Yeah,
दानिश याद आया.
okay. But not specifically in terms of Pakistan, but essentially like years ago in like 1930s or whatever, people did not have the luxury to afford diamond rings.
Yeah.
So only like 10% or whatever of the population would even consider getting like a diamond engagement ring. And then I think it was De Beers, that I think that was the company that started a campaign, and they started an advertisement, and they changed the perception of diamond rings by making it like a symbol of like love and luxury. So they focused more on like everlasting love. And like I think they had the line as well, the diamonds are forever, which is like still a relevant line today, which is like 100 years later, almost 100 years later, right? So from that one advertisement, and I'm sure they ran a campaign with that afterwards, I'm sure once it became a thing, they established it more, but from that one advertisement, they completely changed the perception of diamond rings as a whole. And like diamond rings are not a necessity.
They're
You
not,
will never
yeah.
need a diamond ring. However, now they've like established it as a necessity that people feel like they need it, to the point that like I think I read somewhere that like by the 1960s, which was like maybe like a 20-30 year difference from when they first started the campaign, there was like a 60%
I think it's a very
increase.
good example.
There is good
Like,
example.
this is
Yeah.
a very,
इससे
very
मेरे
good
ज़हन में एक
example.
और example है. That
Let me
answers
just
your
finish.
question.
There was a
Yes, sorry.
60% increase in like the amount of people. It was either 60 or 80%. I don't remember the
But
statistic.
I think you're
In the
proving my
amount of
point as well.
people-
It was a
yeah.
whole campaign. It was
Yeah.
not just
Not
one.
just
But it started
Yeah.
with an
Yeah.
advertisement.
No, I think we're
But it
all agreed
started
on the
with an
fact it has to be a campaign.
campaign.
Yeah, I agree with that
Yes,
as
if-
well. But I do want to say it started with a campaign, and I have one more example
Yeah.
of how an ad can change perceptions in terms of something.
Why do I think you have the same example?
I don't think
मुझे
you
भी
do.
ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
Yeah.
बोले?
बोलो.
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Santa Claus?
No.
Yeah, no.
Oh.
No, it's a different
I
example.
was
So,
gonna say just do it, but anyways, we'll
Yeah.
come back.
no,
You
so,
tell us.
Campaign.
so Santa Claus is basically, so everybody knows who Santa Claus is, yes?
कौन है वो?
पता नहीं. So, in case you guys are unaware, Santa Claus was based on like a real person, Saint Nicholas. Yeah, so Saint
Okay.
Nicholas was a Christian, I don't remember if he was like a priest or whatever. Saint, he was a saint. But
The clues in the name.
yeah, the clues in the name. But yeah, so Saint Nicholas is basically the origin story of Santa Claus. And Saint Nicholas there were many different imaginings of Saint Nicholas and what he looked like and like what Santa Claus as a character can look like. You know, they were like imaginations that made him tall, that made him short, that made him very green, that made him look like an elf, that had like different things until I think in the 1930s, Coca-Cola hired an artist to make an image of Santa Claus, which is the image of Santa Claus that everybody resonates with today, in which Santa Claus is wearing red and white, which are
So for me,
Coca-Cola
this
colors.
is a new fact.
Yeah,
I did not
It's a
know
fun
that.
fact.
Yeah.
That's
So,
very
to
interesting.
be
That's
very, very
actual
honest,
fun
Yeah.
fact.
I think
That's
I'm
Actual fun
aware
fact.
of this thing because I did not know that.
That's
Yeah,
very
yeah,
interesting.
it's amazing.
So, just to clarify, Coca-Cola did not start the legend of Santa Claus, but that
They
image
gave
that
him a
we have,
face,
they
basically,
gave him
yeah.
a face. They established one single persona, and to this day, that persona works. Now, every
But
brand,
I'd
everybody,
appreciate if we can fact check this after this because
Yeah, I think
Sure.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
allegedly,
I've read this too.
Yeah.
But thoda sa.
allegedly. But yeah, so even like the colors, like red and white, that's a Coca-Cola's thing,
Yeah.
and they hired an artist to create that image. They ran an ad with it, and to this day, that is what is relevant to us. Now, is that a positive impact? Possibly not, but did that
It is an
influence-
impact
But
though.
it
It's
Yeah.
an impact.
Yeah.
They change perception.
Unify
Every
ho gaya na
brand-
Santa.
Yeah.
And to this day, every brand that uses Santa Claus, they use that image.
Yeah.
They don't go for the greens. They don't go for like the short, tall people. They go for that one specific, chubby, rosy-cheeked, white beard,
Yeah.
red and white wearing Santa Claus. So yeah, I do
I
think
think
that
that's
even
a
a single
great example.
advertisement
Yeah.
can change.
Just building on that.
But-
how many
yeah.
of us have heard the phrase breakfast is the most important meal?
I was
Yeah.
gonna go there. Oh,
By the way, there's a movie about it. Watch it
I
on
haven't
Netflix.
seen the
ठीक
movie.
है?
What's the movie?
It is I forgot the name, but they serials पे उन्हें बनाई हुई and what they did was they made a funny take of it. Like watch it. I can't recall the name of it, but watch it.
But अब बात ये है कि that is a line that was made by a cereal brand in the US. ठीक है, just to get
A
people to
cereal
have
brand?
just to get people to have breakfast.
शुरू मॉर्निंग में शुगर खानी चाहिए सारी
Yes.
सारी बातें हैं।
जबकि आप सारे हेल्थ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट और ये हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट्स के अगर आप if you listen to them because I do
They
because I,
Nestle we're not against your product. He's just saying.
yeah, no Nestle doesn't make cereal. So anyways, so they all the health specialists say that you should not have
Wait,
a
sorry,
meal
who
as soon
makes
as you
Kellogg's?
That's Nestle.
Oh हाँ, sorry,
Yeah.
I forgot.
That's Nestle.
My bad.
We will cut
लेकिन
that
पाकिस्तान
out.
में जो चलता है वो है
Fauji?
हाँ।
Fauji.
Fauji.
अच्छा, हाँ.
Anyways, क्या बात हो रही थी? हाँ. So all the health specialists say you should not have food as soon as you wake up for like at least 2-3 hours. But उस brand ने ये perception बनाया, they created this meal out of thin air
Breakfast is most
कि breakfast because it's the most important meal of the day. और आज
Who said
तक
it? Nobody knows.
Nobody knows.
हालांकि lunch time is the most important.
exactly because
I
But
can't
now-
survive without breakfast. Like,
But see,
for
now
me,
people
breakfast is
disagree.
the-
Because
Now
it's habit
nutritionists
already.
also say breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
No, they don't say that.
No, some nutritionists like today they do.
no, but majority of them say it's not. So basically, so we as humans have evolved from obviously being hunters and gatherers, and as a hunter gatherer, you do
You're
not
not
have
a
access to
hunter?
food. Sorry,
You're not a hunter.
I am
Yeah.
not a hunter.
You are a hunter. Okay.
नाना राम ने कहा नहीं, I am hunted.
वो चीज़ पे गाना याद
That was a
है।
creative
I
hunt.
am-
So, anyways, like historically, we as humans have not had access to food as soon as we wake up. So breakfast
Yeah.
is not part of.
But
like,
maybe you hunted last night and you had meal in the morning.
Fridge नहीं
fridge
होता
में-
उस
fridge
जमाने में. No, so a lot of health specialists say कि breakfast you should skip because उठते ही आप खाना खाते हो आपका metabolism activate होता है.
Again, fact check करवाना
We should fact
But
check.
I think कि हमने इतना सुन
But
लिया है, like,
basic, चलो we
ये
should
हमने
fact check.
post
I
edit में
agree.
नीचे डालने
But
होंगे.
this line was started by a cereal company
Yeah,
just so
exactly.
that they could sell cereal for breakfast. Breakfast
And they
was
did?
created by a
Now
brand.
cereal is a very popular breakfast food.
मुझे
Yeah.
ऐसा लगता है अगेन हम
ये सारे
I think
negative
हम
impacts,
हम ना ads
No, this is a
नहीं
positive
हम
impact.
ads से अगर साइड पे कर दें आई डू थिंक कि ब्रांड्स शेप अप द कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर
Obviously.
मुझे
Agreed.
ये
Yeah,
बात लगता
absolutely.
है
In modern world day
आप
तो
ये
ये-
बात करो कि अगर इस वक्त आपकी इंडस्ट्री में मैं नाइकी की एग्जांपल ले लूँ जस्ट डू इट वाला कर लो या कोका कोला की शेयर हैप्पीनेस द वे दे हैव मार्केटेड शेयर हैप्पीनेस इज अमेजिंग लाइक द साउंड ऑफ दैट फेस कोका कोला ने इतना जबरदस्त इम्पैक्ट बनाया है लाइक आई हैव सीन in cinemas where you are driven to have a Coca-Cola just because they have that एक आती है पूरी स्क्रीन आती है सो पेप्सी डज इट कोक डज इट डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स डज इट कोक का मैंने बहुत ज्यादा देखा है सो दे हैव दिस स्क्रीन व्हिच इज लाइक एम्प्टी और उसके अंदर एकदम से ना पहले आइस गिरती है आइस गिरने के बाद ना वो आपकी ना
हाँ,
फेस
fill
फुल
होती
होने
है।
लग जाती
Yeah,
है ठीक
yeah,
है जस्ट प्लेन दैट थिंग एंड यू आर लाइक आई वांट टू हैव अ कोक राइट नाउ एंड लाइक दैट इज
That is an impact.
Yeah,
That
that is
was-
an impact.
एक
That's
मॉडर्न डे
an
एक और एग्जांपल जो बहुत ज्यादा इस तरह इंटरनेशनली देखा जाए तो रेड बुल की है हाउ इट
Red Bull
स्टार्टेड
gives you
Yeah,
wings?
Will give you
रेड बुल इतना लाइक ओवरप्राइस्ड सा एनर्जी ड्रिंक है व्हिच नोबडी एवर वांट्स टू बाय
Yeah.
बट एवरीवन स्टिल हैज इट
Yeah, I really like Red Bull.
हाँ बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द अमेजिंग मार्केटिंग जो उन्होंने हर स्पोर्ट्स में अपने साथ को अपने आप घुसा दिया एक्सट्रीम मार्केटिंग स्टंट्स
यार ये Verstappen fanboy आपको बता दें.
4 टाइम वर्ल्ड
कौन सा
चैंपियन,
fan
Technically
boy?
3.
4 टाइम
3. Hamilton had the
इसके लिए
edge.
एक और पॉडकास्ट बनेगा, ठीक है?
यार रहने दे भाई, please.
Coming back to the topic.
So basically हाँ, so how F1 में देख लें, आपकी फुटबॉल में देख लें, आपके हर स्पोर्ट्स में रेड बुल घुसा हुआ है.
Yeah,
हर
they even had the stunt. You must have seen it. They sent this person into the
I was gonna-
stratosphere.
yeah, when you
मतलब
cut me off, basically.
Sorry,
Yeah,
I apologize.
that was-
Sorry. Just like
And
just like
then
Verstappen cut Hamilton off in
Yeah,
that final race. Yeah,
exactly,
happens.
yeah.
होता है
You know,
कभी-कभी.
होता है ऐसे,
हाँ, yeah,
कोई मसला
yeah.
नहीं. Anyway,
It's
so
petty energy happening right now.
Triple law.
That's
हाँ.
why, that's why I call
That
it
would
God.
not work.
मैंने अभी तक F-bomb drop नहीं किया. I think I
Very
deserve this.
surprising. You just want to say fuck Zaria?
No, I didn't say that.
I was like, that's that where you want to add it in? But yes, continue Zaria.
Continue. Red Bull gives you.
ट्रिमर लाओ बहुत useless था.
I realized.
हाँ,
but
Triple
you
तो आ
still-
गया था.
you still have a beard. We can really
So
go for
Red
that
Bull
Casper
gave you
look.
Okay, okay.
So basically, हाँ,
Back to the topic, please.
क्या है? तो हाँ, so what Red Bull has done is like अब nobody goes to a shop and buys Red Bull because की और energy drink पसंद है. I mean you're one of the rare cases. It has become that.
No, I don't buy Red Bull because of the energy. I just like the taste.
हाँ ठीक है, you like the taste, but generally speaking एक vibe बन गई है, एक वो बन गया है, social status भी बन गया है, vibe भी बन गया है, sports events पे ये वो आप Red Bull pick करते हो because वो आपको like you know एक वो क्योंकि उन्होंने उसको अपने उसको साथ link कर लिया, एक brand link.
But
that's
you know,
true.
one more brand which actually has linked when you're talking about Red Bull, and I actually haven't researched if it works or not, but psychologically मेरे माइंड में ये बात बैठ गई है कि Gatorade helps you
Yeah,
after
yeah.
an extreme workout. Like this is in my instilled in my head.
Apparently
So
Gatorade
if
ने
I
marketing की
if
है.
I
उनकी
go
marketing start की है.
हाँ,
बस
मतलब
उनके claim भी है,
Yeah.
उनका
हाँ,
official
सही,
claim
हाँ,
भी है. I don't know
सही।
असल में करते हैं कि नहीं, claim
मैं
तो
वही
ये
बता
है.
रहा हूँ कि आफ्टर एनी वर्कआउट्स और स्पोर्ट्स, लाइक मैं खासतौर पे जब स्क्वाश खेलता हूँ उसके बाद ना, because you're dehydrated after
Yeah.
squash,
Yeah.
not in terms of but like आप it's a very
Salt
it's
चाहिए
like,
होते
हाँ,
हैं,
आप salt चाहिए होते हैं.
minerals,
मेरी
water,
एक
everything.
ultimate urge होती है कि मैंने अब खेल लिए, I need to get a Gatorade. I really don't care if it works or not. And आप वो पी रहे हो ना तो आपको लग रहा है यार आपके पास आ रहे हो, जैसे वो आप like ORS पी लो and
हाँ.
all those things. So
Yeah.
मुझे
ORS actually effective है.
ORS actually effective है, तो मेरा काम करता है कि Gatorade होना
But
चाहिए,
उन्होंने
ठीक है?
claim this line किए हुए ना कि इतना heavily inculcate हो गया कि वो
Yeah.
आपको खुद feel
So
होता है कि
even
ऐसा
if there are
होना
other drinks in the market, you would still want a Gatorade because they like
Yeah.
you know they मेरे लिए वो they rule this kind of industry as a consumer, like for me. ठीक है,
But
for
I
other
think
people.
Red Bull ने भी like initiate वो किया because अब वो एक energy drinks की पूरी एक लीग बन गई है. जो आप देखते हो Sting बहुत से इस तरह के brands ने they've tried to like own that territory कि अच्छा है हम भी एक energy drink की category में आ
But
रहे हैं.
okay, do I know they have advertised this way, but do people drink Sting for the energy drink purpose
No.
or for the taste?
I think for the
But for
taste.
the
I,
taste,
yeah.
Do people
Yeah.
drink
Taste
Sting
है.
for
So-
the
so
taste?
if you
I
remember-
love the
Yeah.
red one.
Yeah.
Like I used
Yeah.
to.
I like the
Now
yellow
I
one
don't
more.
I preferred
drink-
yellow,
So
yeah.
if
I don't drink the
remember-
So one thing
sodas.
that I find very interesting is really random, but like for brands like Sting and Gatorade, I like how nobody knows कि उनकी क्या flavors होते हैं. It's always the red one and the blue
Yeah.
one and the yellow one.
That's actually true.
No,
That is true.
Gatorade.
So
Sting
Sting yellow is
explain
Gold
it.
Rush.
Blue one is blueberry.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
For Gatorade.
Gatorade.
Interesting.
ठीक है. Red one is I have no idea. It tastes like cough syrup.
Yeah,
Then they
it
have a
does.
lemon one.
Okay.
So I know those two flavors.
And you have a very good memory.
Yeah.
Generally speaking,
हाँ,
people just know
always
red,
go like
blue,
that.
yellow.
हाँ, red, blue, yellow.
Yeah.
So but
Yeah.
when Sting started, they like positioned themselves as like an energy drink. But
Yeah.
अब वही बात है taste वाली. So अब उन्होंने
शुरू में Sting was a competitor for Red Bull,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
They
But
tried to,
now
yeah.
they've changed their position to like something taste B and taste B because वही taste वाली बात जो बैठ कर है
interesting
ना.
tagline.
Because now people like associate more with the taste rather than वो energy वाली चीज वो like they associate. more
Energy,
with the-
I think energy part is still part of
Yeah,
the
a
positioning,
part
but it's
of
a very
that.
smaller part.
Yeah.
It's
Like,
taken a
right
back
now,
side.
Red
They
Bull
bank
definitely
more on
has the
taste,
hold
yeah.
on that.
And another thing that like, topic we can discuss in this podcast is how like you know drinks or you know products like Prime use such you know big faces to promote their brand. हालांकि वो उससे कोई ताल्लुक भी नहीं होता. Like for example, Logan Paul और ये KSI सारे जो Prime को promote करते हैं, they are
But Prime is owned by.
it isn't. So that's another fun
Oh,
fact.
okay.
So it's owned by some other people. कह लो मैंने और आपने Prime बनाया, हमने Logan Paul को कहा पार्टनर आ जाओ. क्योंकि तुम फिर क्योंकि प्रमोट भी करोगे पार्टनर भी होगे
Are we talking
Same
about Prime
as-
Video?
That's like influence.
No, the Prime Drink,
Prime drink.
which
अच्छा,
पाकिस्तान में 5,000 7,000 की बिकती है.
और लोग खरीदते हैं
मैं
सेम इज द
पहली
केस
दफा
विद
सुन
उसकी
रहा
जो
हाँ,
ड्रिंक
global
है
ball
जिन
है.
है
Sir, international.
Rich drink.
exposure.
he said rich drink.
No, it's a rich thing.
हम
Sir,
गरीब आदमी.
डेडपूल के उसका एक्टर का नाम है
Oh,
Ryan
he came
Ryan
up with an
Reynolds.
alcohol
या
brand,
तो
yeah.
वो भी उसका अपना नहीं है
Yeah,
Same
but
कौन सा?
सो
What was the
the
alcohol
whiskey brand
उसके-
he's
हाँ.
partnered with.
Ah, okay, because I
So वो भी
know
उसका
the
अपना नहीं
Tom
है.
Holland started a
So-
Tom
no
Holland,
alcohol
Tom-
beer brand.
But Tom Holland actually started it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he actually
Tom
worked on
Holland
it.
का फर्क ये था because he stopped drinking
Yeah,
and
he's sober
that's
now.
and he's sober now and
Yeah.
just because of that
He made non-alcoholic beer, na?
Yeah.
Yeah, he went
हाँ,
on alcohol.
but I think that was a great thing. So
That was an
in
interesting
general, he
campaign.
personified himself in a certain way,
Yeah.
and then he launched a product which went with his ethos. तो
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है ये बहुत
It's
Sounds,
smart
fam-
है.
Yeah.
sounds familiar, doesn't it?
Yeah.
पाकिस्तान फूड बोर्ड
Casual plug-in.
Insert plug-in.
No, but same
But
way.
yeah,
I
but
was
like in
looking
that
at, I was
case,
looking
हाँ.
at Alia Bhatt started a kids brand. It's called Mama something or I
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
But she started it when she became pregnant. ठीक है? So I think when what you were talking about, KG, people owning or becoming brand ambassadors, it needs to be aligning with what kind of personality they have. Like for example, ये क्या आपका उसका नाम है जो विचर भी बना है बॉय और
Henry
Liam
Cavill.
Hemsworth.
क्या?
Liam
Henry
Hemsworth.
Cavill?
Henry Cavill.
Oh.
ठीक है?
The
Henry-
OG Witcher.
Yeah, he said
The
अभी बना.
No, the OG.
Liam
No,
Hemsworth is not the
please,
Witcher.
Liam
Listen.
Hemsworth is not a Witcher.
Listen.
He will never be a
No.
Witcher. I will never believe him to be a Witcher.
For once you
Listen,
and I agree.
I agree that Henry Cavill was the Witcher. You
No,
said
he
जो
is
अभी
the-
बना है.
एक second.
अभी Liam
एक
Hemsworth
second.
बना है.
He
माने
is-
या ना माने.
मैं देखूंगा ही.
तो ना
ठीक है,
देखिए.
वापस
मैंने
आइए।
कुछ
पता ही
देखा
नहीं.
नहीं, मुझे तो पसंद नहीं है Liam Hemsworth.
उनके अभी और आपके
Why am I talking about Liam Hemsworth? I was on
Henry
Henry
Cavill.
Cavill.
Henry
Henry Cavill is an
Superman.
ideal person to represent the gaming industry. ठीक है? Because he's a gamer. He or represents all of these things. ठीक है? अगर वो कल को कोई गेम बनाता है, वो कल को कोई गेम के ब्रांड को इंडोर्स करता है, ठीक है? That has his credibility. That
Yeah.
has his audience.
Yeah.
So it needs to be when you're talking about these people. They created a impact, but people are now that quick to understand कि जी
Yeah.
क्या ये बंदा authentic है या नहीं है.
मेरा
ठीक
जो
है?
पॉइंट था वो ये था कि लाइक सो मार्केटिंग की एक नई जो चीज़ आई है वो ये है कि एक तो ये ना कि हमारे पास कोई ब्रांड है, हमने एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हायर किया या एक्टर हायर किया, जो भी उसको कहीं एक्ट कर लो, रोल कर लो, इतने अरसे के लिए आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हो. एक जो नई चीज़ कह रहे हैं, दे आर हायरिंग दीज पीपल और लाइक गेटिंग देम ऑन बोर्ड एज पार्टनर्स.
Yeah, equity देना makes more
Yeah.
sense ना.
That
Because
is like a whole-
affordability versus
and-
like
Yeah.
as a business owner, I
Yeah.
can tell you, it is very very expensive at times for new businesses to have, you know, famous brand ambassadors.
Yeah.
So if you
But like the way
actually
that that
reali-
is marketed is essentially कि so if you bring a
कि लोगन
celebrity
पॉल
on
का
board,
प्राइम उसका नहीं है.
हाँ, so it's
उसको तो idea
essentially
भी नहीं
that this celebrity started this brand.
It's-
A lot
it's-
of makeup brands
yeah.
right now have like like female celebrities
Yeah.
that are associated with those brands. Like I think Kylie Jenner has her own brand, Rihanna has her own brand,
सबने
Selena
बना लिया,
Gomez
Millie
has her own
Bobby
brand.
Brown.
हाँ,
Even
I don't know
the
about
Indian,
Millie Bobby, but
industry
Hailey
also.
Bieber has her own
I'm
makeup
actually
brand.
going to open
Like and like some of these yes authentically started their own makeup brands, but a lot of them did not. They were brought on as to be the face of the brand, and now internationally they are presented as this was their brand, this was their idea, this is their passion project or whatever. But the idea, the people
Comes
who had
from-
the
yeah.
idea were
A few
is
people
different
sitting
book.
in a basement.
Yeah. Maybe not a basement, but
No, but
the ideation, the
I
brand
have-
belongs to some other people.
Yeah,
They're
I-
just the face of it to market.
Yeah, I've noticed a lot of people, lot of cricketers, lot of superstars have started to contribute towards the ecosystem of startups. Take it.
Yeah.
I was actually looking at a picture, and that's why I opened it. Where MS Dhoni is invested in almost 9 startups. Take it, from including Khata Book to Blue Smart to a lot of things. So अब ये लोग ना इस तरह पे आपको
And I
position
guess
करने
Deepika
लगे
and
हैं. ठीक
Ranveer
है.
Singh are also a part of
Yeah,
this.
Yeah,
whole type
Virat
of-
Virat Kohli owns like has Digit, Rogan, MPL, Blue Tribe. So all of these people have started to invest in this ecosystem. वो Ryan Reynolds की बात कर रहा था. He owns that. Then he owns a football team. He's part of that. वो जो अजीब सी टीम है जिसका चेल्सी ने लास्ट टाइम खेला था.
रायन
ठीक है?
रेनॉल्ड्स ने तो उसमें भी इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है, एल्पिन क्या कहते हैं रेसिंग F1 में भी. It's like
Exactly.
going
The
so bad.
worst team on the grid.
No, it's not the worst.
It is the worst
Now
team.
it's the 6th worst team.
Still the worst.
So
What is the
these-
worst?
These people have
I
started.
think
to
probably
do-
Williams is the
So
worst.
I think these people have
Kicks
started
away.
to do those kind of things. But I have a question which I want to
Yeah.
ask. So ads do shape up what we buy, take it? But can they shape what we believe?
Yeah, I think they can.
And I
Give
think
an
we are
example.
slowly
Give an
working
example,
towards
yeah.
that. For example, like
Campaigns,
in our advertising world, like we're talking about the Pakistani advertising world, I've seen like there have been ads that have worked to change what we believe. Like talking about Shan, because they gauge that we are an emotional society and like emotions work more for us. So unki kuch ads ki jinme like they've twisted the whole plot and like they've shown son-in-laws like cooking for the whole family. They've shown the father-in-laws cooking for the daughter-in-laws. So that's like they've tried to make us believe कि जो characters real life के जिस तरह से नहीं होते, but they've tried to figure them in a way कि we believe like there's more to them as well.
I have a really good answer for this, जो कि मीरा ने थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था.
That means I had a really good answer for this.
Yeah, Flash. No, but you wouldn't be able to relate. Maybe because you're not a cricket fan, उस तरह. So I'm just
Okay.
gonna add some spice to it. Flashback to 2011. ठीक है, पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड कप में जा रहा था, क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप में. शाहिद अफरीदी कैप्टन था and he had like a completely new team of new boys. Nobody believed we could win. फिर आया शायद ये जाज का गाना आया था, अली ज़फ़र ने किया था, जज्बा. And if you listen to it, I still get goosebumps and I still get tears in my eyes because
Yeah.
that was the World Cup we could have and should have won. But he made me believe and made a lot of people believe as cricket fans कि we can actually win. उसमें एक सीन है एंड में कि he's just sitting in the locker room और उसने ना वो उसको को मट्टी पकड़ाता है ज़मीन के और एक फैन उसको कहता है कि शायद भाई ये मट्टी है, इसको जिंदा रखना है. And then there's a shot in the end कि वो locker room में अकेला बैठा है, dramatic lighting, he's just looking at it like this. And then he gets up and he walks out to the stadium. I know कहने में बहुत generic है, but when you listen to it, when you watch it, and in the context, it still gives me goosebumps. It made me believe we can win the World Cup. And to this day, I still believe we should have won the World Cup. But मतलब वो it gave वो एक genuine आपके emotions को ना it just creates this whirlwind of emotions inside you. So definitely, even if it doesn't, advertising doesn't have the power, even if it doesn't, for the sake of argument, to change our behavior, it can certainly change our thoughts and what we believe in. For
Simple
sure.
ए वो मिट्टी का मान तो रख ले, ये आतिफ और फारिस शफी का
Yeah,
कमाल.
there are so many examples. Even
Like, अभी तक कोई क्रिकेट देखने जाता तो वो गाना
Yeah.
लगाता था.
And that
Even
is
मेरे
why
से
the
ना-
whole PSL season, like अब देखते हो कि जब भी वो season
I
आता है,
love
there are
PSL,
lots and
man.
lots of ads.
I love it.
Even there
I
are
said the
sponsored
first
songs
2-3
that come up.
seasons were
Yeah.
amazing.
Amazing, yeah.
उसके बाद थोड़ा सा. There's also the US election campaign. You remember Trump had the campaign के was it Trump? Yes, we can. No, that was somebody else.
No.
Make America. Trump had
had Make America Great Again.
But कहने का मकसद कि even the US अगर आप देखें presidential campaigns, they're actually ad campaigns when you think about it.
Yeah,
And they
absolutely
choose-
agree.
you know, I absolutely love ये जितनी भी American.
Yes, we can. वो sorry कौन था? Sorry मुझे बहुत उलझन हो रही है. I think-
Kamala Harris तो नहीं?
नहीं, it was
नहीं.
Obama maybe. I don't know. what
Maybe
it
it was.
I can't remember, but
Someone
I
from US.
absolutely love the fact the way
Wow.
they do these election campaigns.
Fun time.
And election campaigns need to be done that way.
I agree.
ठीक है?
I completely
It needs
agree.
to have
बेनजीर sorry ये PPP रोटी कपड़ा
Sir,
मकान-
Bhutto's in there, please.
No,
आप
no,
कुछ नहीं
रोटी
बोलिए.
कपड़ा
Yes, we
मकान
can
was
was
a-
Obama.
Yeah.
Obama. रोटी कपड़ा मकान was a really good campaign when you
It
think
was.
about it.
Yeah.
Absolutely spot on masses के लिए. बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स आपकी क्या है? रोटी कपड़ा मकान.
क्या कहते हैं ये जो खाल शौकत खानों के लिए नहीं ठीक
Yeah,
है
yeah, yeah.
कुर्बानी अल्लाह के लिए खाल शौकत खानों के लिए इट इज इंस्टिल्ड
Yeah,
इन
it
अस
is,
ठीक
yes.
है आई थिंक इट इज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट लाइन रिटन फॉर ईद एंड फॉर चैरिटी फॉर एनी हॉस्पिटल और एनी चैरिटी इट इज सो
So
गुड
that's how ad make you believe.
मतलब
like,
यू नो माय पेरेंट्स एंड एवरीवन लाइक एवरीवन आई नो उनसे पूछो ना कि खाल का जाए
शौकत
आगे से कहती
खान
शौकत खान को जाएगी
हाँ.
दे डोंट इवन यू नो think twice
Yes.
but because that is instilled in us ki great line so I agree that the behaviors can be changed it just needs to be done in the right way
Yeah.
I think I'm still trying to figure out if that, to what extent that happens. Because I think ads and campaigns do have the ability to change perceptions and to change behaviors. However, I feel like it's in a lot of cases that I've seen, they don't do it by themselves. Like it is not one single ad or campaign that has sparked a new conversation and
Same
becomes
thing
Yeah,
which I
part.
was
yeah.
saying at that
Yeah,
time,
it
yes.
becomes a part of like a bigger movement. And
no for this I'd like to add one more question
Yeah.
and then you can answer it combined can a 30-second ad or like can an ad rewrite years of cultural norms
I think that's very ambitious.
Yeah.
बहुत
thing to-
ambitious है.
They should, but I
At
think-
max
But
feel
here's
आ
the
जाएगी
thing.
थोड़ी सी वो.
हाँ, exactly.
अच्छी
Feel
बात
आ
की है.
जाएगी,
Feel
but
आ
बदल
जाएगी.
नहीं सकता. I
जैसे
don't
वो
think
ऐड
it's
था
30 seconds.
जिसमें आई थिंक डालडा था किसका था कि जिसमें जो एक वो सीईओ टाइप होता है उसको रोज खाना देते हैं आके और फिर वो खाना
Yeah, the
मतलब
food
बाद में
wasting
देखते
है,
जाके
food
वो जो
wasting
किचन में बंदा होता है वो खा रहा होता है खाना।
अच्छा
बाद में-
I'm in very favor के I do think के एक अच्छा ad या अच्छी campaign can do change like
Again,
cultural
possible
norms.
है, but it's
Yeah.
very
मैं-
rare.
I will give couple of
First बात है।
example like ये always के ads आए थे वगैरह आए थे, you know how
Yep.
stereotyping
Yeah.
ये होता था कि यार if somebody is
पर वो campaign है पूरी।
again ad के मैंने ad के साथ इस वजह से campaign कर दिया because हमारा थोड़ा सा वो change हो गया,
Yeah.
ठीक है। वो आए थे and people how the concept was कि जी अगर आपको हुए में तो then like you need to take, you can't go to work, you can't do the
Yeah.
whole perception, the changing the culture norms के जी आप actually you can go and live your life normally, ठीक है। That was done really well and it started to impact the industry. People started to know, fathers started to see that and they would
Yeah.
understand this thing because people would not talk about these things, ठीक है।
Yeah.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि
broke
culture norms
stereotypes and like
हाँ
they
culture norms
impacted the
change
cultural
होते हैं and there are
norms, right?
multiple
That's
examples
why
of
we
it.
can now like so openly talk about it even
Yeah.
and like it's not a stereotype anymore.
But again, I feel like
But it's
that's not
certain
something that
class में।
happens. But like again, like I feel like that's something that doesn't happen in a vacuum. Like it is something that needs supporting
I agree,
ideas and
yeah.
supporting conversations
And
and,
I also
supporting
But you
movements
know-
on it. And an example that I would
Yeah.
like to give for this is Dove. So we've all seen Dove ke ads
Oh,
and
yes.
we've all seen
that
how
one campaign.
that one campaign. But
But
Dove
campaign, then
had-
not a
Yeah.
30-second ad, na?
I
Yeah,
don't
but
believe in
even
30-second
like-
ads.
I
okay,
agree.
okay.
I
I will
believe in
give an
campaigns
example
every
of
time. And this is
Agreed.
the argument you and I've had.
No, I agree with you on this.
That's the best part. We agree on it. So as it,
Sorry.
you'll come back. We'll come back to you and you'll do that. But I want
Again.
to make this a point. कि
Same.
I have one thing which differentiates when we all work versus other people.
Yeah.
कि whenever we're pitching an idea and this is, I would take the credit for it. कि I always make sure कि आप लोग जब भी
Yeah.
किए ना, ठीक है? कि जब भी आप लोग कोई भी कैंपेन या कोई भी आइडिया बनाते हो एड वगैरह का, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि यार आई डोंट वांट टू सी एन एड आइडिया, आई वांट टू सी अ कैंपेन आइडिया
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट डिफरेंशिएट्स all of us working together over here versus other 100 agencies sitting over there because they're all like कि जी यार ये TVC बना रहे हैं, ये DVC बना
ये
रहे हैं,
insights
ठीक है?
हैं, ये work करता
हाँ,
है, वो बना लो।
मतलब it needs to be campaign. Now going back to you, Dove.
Yeah, so Dove, so everybody knows that Dove has a lot of content that is against normalized beauty standards, right, for women. And they have multiple campaigns today that talk about the same concept. But even like starting from like a 30-second advertisement, they had one that was, I don't even remember what year it was done. It was like early 2010s, I think. It was called Evolution, which I don't know if a lot of you guys know about Evolution, but it was essentially a ad in which they showed the entire process of how a model starts from how she looks like to all of the makeup and hair that she goes to and all the styling that she goes through to all of the filters that are that happen to her and then all the Photoshop that she goes through. So they show that entire process in like a small advertisement because obviously attention spans to थोड़े से fuck with but
I'm not the one who dropped the first F-bomb, just
देखिए
saying.
शो का नाम है
She's
बीप
done
बीप
twice.
Oh, I didn't get the first one.
हाँ शो का नाम है बीप बीप थोड़ा सा तो बीप
Fuck
बीप
the
होना
Riyam
चाहिए
Gatha, sir.
मैंने
Oh,
नहीं कहा था
she
मैंने
decided.
कहा था कि that's maybe what you wanted to say
Okay.
but anyways so they had they had that Evolution ka ad and yes after that it was a campaign, they continued on it for years but it started from one single ad about how people compared themselves to these models, to these very filtered, very photoshopped perceptions and now it's common knowledge. We all know ये होता
but
है
do you know
but
the whole perspective changed?
but the whole
But
perspective changed because
पहले
of
वो
that.
क्या फेयर एंड लवली आया करती थी वो
हाँ.
भी उसका नाम भी चेंज होने लगे
Yeah.
लेकिन इन जनरल मुझे ऐसे लगता
अच्छा
है
fair
कि
and lovely
industry
brings me to another question that I had but like first we will
कि उन लोगों ने
end with this.
पूरा एक ना I would give maybe I'm wrong at it but I would give Dove credit for it. They normalize कि how you can look absolutely normal, you don't need to
Yeah.
have these filters, you don't need to have those things. So they started with the campaign and it kept on resonating with brand to brand. Everybody started to come on board with that. ठीक है?
Yeah.
And brands started to change them. For me, if a brand changes their name ना, ठीक है? That means कि कोई एक पूरी revolution start
Yeah.
होगी है जिसमें
तो-
ecosystem भी पूरा का पूरा change
Yeah.
लेकिन
होगा.
वो तो
But
और
on
भी
that
चीजें हैं ना
note-
उसमें बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स हैं जिसमें
No, but like somebody started
internationally-
that. You
हाँ.
can start a debate. I was talking about yesterday to him. I wouldn't want to reveal the campaign idea I had, but I was talking to him something about diabetes, ठीक है, and how it can, how one campaign can change the way the market works,
It
ठीक है.
can, but-
तो वो ऐसा होता है. Somebody needs to वो एक तरह तीली लगाना बहुत
तीली
जरूरी
लगानी.
होता
But I
है.
also
on
feel
that
that
note-
rather than like just the ad changing perspectives, the society also needs
Sorry.
to change
It's
the
okay.
perspective a bit. I'm sorry.
No, I बोला
No, आप बोलो. वो मेरे से मसला है.
Yeah. So basically, talking about the Pakistani scenario, we all know because we are an emotional society, the emotions work. So इस तरह की
Yeah.
ads बनाए जाते हैं जो like he says till date I have tears in my eyes and like we have that nostalgia. But वो emotional ads तो work करते हैं. But
Definitely.
for example these smog ads जो भी कुछ अर्सा पहले चले या whenever we have some ads which are giving you some education, those
जैसे COVID-19 में बहुत ज़्यादा ads चले।
I was coming to
do
that.
we really follow those ads or do those ads
Have you
create that
guys
impact
seen?
that is
मैं आते हुए
required?
ही सोच रहा था. I was
कोई
trying to think
discussion
of
तो हो जाती है
ads.
at least.
I was trying to
Conversation
think
तो
of
शुरू
But
ads.
still we are cutting trees, still we are like.
I
doing
was
everything
trying to
else
think of
for
ads आते हुए that have changed behavior. COVID-19 में एक ad आया था. I don't know if you guys have seen. Animated videos थी एक about this गांव का बंदा था.
Yes, I've seen it.
पश्तो में भी
हमारा
थी.
सबसे important
यार,
Oh, yeah, that was so good.
ये मजे
too
का
good.
था.
That was so good.
That was so
Yeah,
good. And I
समझा
think
था.
it went a long way to teaching masses how to deal with COVID and the
Yeah.
little
Yeah.
steps they
फिर
should
उसको
take.
I think fund I'm not sure I could be wrong but I think उसको फिर fund किया गया था कहा गया था और बनाओ and then he made a whole series out of
I
it.
don't know about that. I just saw the one video. वो फंसी
वो तो बहुत hit हुआ था.
He was the like brain behind it.
Yeah.
It was really good. I'm gonna watch it after the podcast. It's just for fun.
Okay.
I think it's done. Again, you'll have to check, but I think it's done by Studio Rohan. The
Studio का मुझे पता है, the creator behind it was Fasida Cup. It was his idea.
Shut up.
The people
Yeah.
You were saying-
behind the video.
I was saying.
No, behind the idea.
So something that he said about Fair and Lovely, something that he said about Fair and Lovely brings me to my next question, which is, previously you said that brands can change consumer perception. They have the ability to do that. Do you think consumers can change how brands work? And
Absolutely.
consumers can influence
Absolutely.
brands.
Fair and Lovely
Fair and Lovely is a great example of that.
हम लोग पहली चीज क्या करते हैं, हम ये देखते हैं अच्छा कंज्यूमर के इनसाइड क्या है, कंज्यूमर क्या कर रहा है, हम लोग
Yeah.
अपना ब्रांड ही कंज्यूमर के लिए बिल्ड करते हैं.
हाँ.
ultimately.
Yeah.
तो फेयर एंड लवली ने नाम ही अपना चेंज इसलिए मतलब
Yeah.
दुनिया में ऐसी वेव आ गई थी कि लाइक अब ये फेयर एंड लवली इज सच अ अब क्या
Racist
नाम है उसका
concept. Good and Lovely?
नहीं,
No.
ग्लो एंड लवली
Glow and Lovely, maybe.
स्टिल रेसिस्ट बट स्टिल
No,
it's not
I'll
as
give you a
universal.
better example
Yeah.
for all of this thing. So, how consumers work, वो not only in terms of कि brand क्या करते हैं, they can change the whole industry. ठीक
Yeah.
है? Now, organic packaging and all these things, why did they started to come? Because lots of people started to believe in it. There was no category for vegans before. ठीक है?
Yeah.
अब vegan की category introduce होगी, brands ने अपने product उसके लिहाज से resonate करने लगे. आपके पास अब no like people who do keto, people who are
Yeah.
like not consuming sugar, उनके लिए products बनना start हो गए because they were all originated by how the people are living their lives. उनके behavior से brand have
Yeah,
started
Diet
to
Coke,
yeah,
Diet
but like,
Pepsi,
on
like
top
there's so
of
why
many
that-
would
examples, yeah.
Coke launch Diet Coke or why would Pepsi launch Diet
Pepsi
Pepsi?
Black,
ठीक
yeah.
है? Pepsi Zero, Pepsi वगैरह
I have a
ठीक है?
very interesting
Even,
marketing
uh,
fact about Diet Coke.
Is it a fun
But like
fact?
it's not relevant.
Is
to
it a
the
fun
conversation.
fact?
It is. I think it's a fun fact.
Okay,
but
what
you
is the
guys-
fun and what is the fact?
आई थिंक
साथ ही
वील
बताऊंगी,
गेस
साथ ही आप लोग देख लेना कि
हमारा-
आपको
हम
fun
guess
लगे।
करेंगे वो।
हाँ, so they had Diet Coke. Yes, Diet
Yeah.
Coke became a product and it was marketed and it had the silver cans, and it became associated with like health and fitness and whatever, right? So lots of women started drinking Diet Coke as like a way of health and fitness. And because of the fact that lots of women were drinking it, men had the perception that this is a feminine thing, this is just for women. So Coke was losing out on like a massive target market because men thought that Diet Coke was specifically for women and it's a woman thing. So then Coke launched Coke Zero, which is, I think, you can fact check me, but I think it is more or less the same formula, but Coke Zero has black, like it has like the black bottles, it has
Yeah.
like the more, I guess you could say, masculine marketing. So now men buy Coke Zero. So that is my fun fact. How
Exactly,
consumers-
exactly.
That is interesting.
Huh?
But,
I
you
had a
know,
lot of fun saying it.
in my childhood, I was in Riyadh, and what Pizza Hut used to at that time have eat as much as you can. ठीक है? It was very common in Riyadh over there. ठीक है? One of the most common memories I have of Diet Coke or Diet Pepsi is, I can't remember what does Pizza Hut sell?
Pepsi है मेरे ख्याल
ठीक
से.
है?
Yeah, maybe.
So people would go over there. We would go to these dinners, and we would see this very common. They would go for the eat as much as you can offer. Eat whatever they want to eat. ठीक है? And when they would like, what would you like to have for drink? Diet Pepsi. This is for me. The memory of this Diet Coke or
Yeah.
Diet Pepsi is always this. Like
And that's
every
really
time I remember it is like going to Pizza Hut, having eat as much as you can, and asking for a Diet Pepsi because
Health
Health
का तो
is
देखना
really-
है ना.
इसी
मुझे like
तरह-
that's a great way of showing कि how they like it's a marketed product, but
Yeah.
it's changed
So at
the how
least आप
consumers.
ऐसे
और
अर्बन
कुछ
एंड
और
रूरल में
type
फर्क
की
पड़ जाता है आपकी जैसे वोल्टा एंड ओसाका आर एसेंशियली द सेम ब्रांड Volta is sold in cities, Osaka is sold in urban, like, you know,
Yeah,
it's just like literally the
Yeah.
same brand under the same roof, owned by the same person.
Yeah.
So,
I think
But
building on
communication is different,
the
huh?
building on the
Yeah.
comment about whether or not
Battery
brands
same है सारी की सारी.
So,
Yes, sir.
okay, I was gonna ask.
Just like one more thing, so does the point. You know, we're saying how brands build themselves according to the consumer. So I remember Tapal did this really good campaign back in 2018 के आसपास. तुम में और एक कप चाय. So that was really cool. And they had like little bumpers जो टीवी पे आते थे उस टाइम के. अच्छा एक बंदा ऑफिस लेटर बैठा है वो चाय पी रहा है. बस that was it. बंदा क्रिकेट मैच चल रहा है 2 लोग चाय पी रहे हैं. बस that was it. So you know, relatable moments that you know people actually consume that
I
product.
would like to ask: do brands have a responsibility to use their platforms for good?
I think they do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for example, जिस तरह टक ने जो है वो हल्की बुल्की
I mean,
में
not a
हल्का फुल्का टक कर दिया था।
responsibility.
responsibility is a
It's a big word,
stretched
हाँ.
word.
Yeah.
क्या बता?
Yeah,
I mean,
I-
every company has CSR.
I've asked this question, so I'll answer the last. But thoughts?
बताएं
It's
यार.
not a responsibility, but I think
कर ले तो अच्छा है.
हाँ,
वो वाली बात है.
it's a good to like have, I think, if they can.
Okay.
So basically,
Good for them or good for the people?
good for them as well, and good for the society as well, I think.
I
I think it's a win-win. हाँ.
How do they have a responsibility to do good?
Yeah, for
like,
society.
let's say Zara. ठीक है. How is their responsibility to do good?
Boycott Zara.
Yeah. So maybe I
इतना judge किया मुझे.
maybe I can
The
like,
brand, not any
Which
particular Zara.
Which
No, no, we love Zara.
This isn't
Zara
like a
people.
personal bias.
I don't love any Zara. I don't. ठीक है.
I think
I
I
love
only
all
love
the
myself.
Zara.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So I not talking about Zara, but I think overall the brands, for example, there can be CSR campaigns that can be done, and for example, any
No, but again, my question is: are brands responsible to do good?
yeah, because they have the ability to influence perspectives, so they have that responsibility. If you want to feel that responsibility, obviously every brand should
What do you
have
think?
that.
I think it's not a responsibility, but I think if they do it, then it's good, both for their image and for the society as well. कर लें तो अच्छा है, but I don't think you can expect कि अच्छा एक brand एक certain level पे काम कर रहा है, तो that is their duty.
I will have a
To give
counter
back.
question for this. What
Okay.
you just said.
So I remember कि एक बार हम एक लाहौर में किसी चौक पे खड़े थे, वहाँ पे ना एक गमला सा था किसी अच्छी क्यूट सी शेप का, और उसमें प्यारे प्यारे फूल लगे हुए थे, और उस पर लिखा था यूफोन. तो एक बंदा कहता है ये देखो ना, यूफोन सस्ते वालों ने एक गमला लगाया, इस पर भी अपनी ब्रांडिंग कर दी. I was just like, बचपन की बात है ना, I was just confused कि like क्यों ना करे ब्रांडिंग. उन्होंने कौन सा कोई आवाम की फलाई बबूदी के लिए लगाया हमें गमला, उन्होंने अपनी ब्रांडिंग के लिए लगाया. सो ब्रांड्स, आई थिंक नोबडी हैज़ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, क्योंकि बहुत आई थिंक उस तरह से वर्ड है कि वो किसी और के लिए इस तरह से करे. ब्रांड स्पेशली व्हेन दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट बजट्स एंड लाइक KPIs एंड एवरीथिंग, तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाली पार्ट कहीं पे भी नहीं आती. दे जस्ट as long as it works for them and it's good for their brand image, कर लें. नहीं है good, they don't have to do it.
But I think that
I
you are
agree
given that
largely.
spot, you have that.
They're not
ability.
given that spot, they earned that spot. That's the
Yeah,
other
so if you
debate है ना पूरी
so I
वो.
think you should give back to the society. अगर आपने वो गमला लगाया है and like आप लगा रहे हैं, so आपको उसमें से आपके अपना ड्यू मिल रहा है क्योंकि आपका नाम उसपे लिखा हुआ
हाँ,
है.
तो that's what I'm saying कि like वो उनको
Yeah.
गमला लगा के अपना उनको ऐड अगर मिल रहा है ना, तो वो लगाएं गमला. अगर उनको ब्रांडिंग नहीं मिल रही तो ना लगाएं.
But अगर गमला लगा लिया है तो how about like creating that awareness कि okay this is important for the society and that's why we are doing it.
नहीं, why would they do that? That the question is कि like for example मैं यूफोन ओन करता हूँ, मेरा क्या जाता है, लोग सिम खरीद रहे हैं ना, वो क्या for example वो वाली बात है.
Okay, I think I agree in the fact that brands, a lot of the times when they do campaigns and they do these social awareness projects and whatever, they don't really care about the change that they make. It's a marketing ploy. They do it to get on the good sides of their consumers
Exactly.
and their audiences. However, in terms of whether they should feel like it's a responsibility, yeah, I think brands have a responsibility to make an impact, to try and change the world for the better. Because you said that they earn their spot, but they earn it because they're being supported by
Yeah.
the people.
Yeah.
The people who live in the society and who have to deal with the circumstances of the changes
Yeah.
You
that
just said
Just-
boycott Zara. आपको Zara
No,
का
no,
कोई
no.
चीज नहीं पसंद आ रही politically or whatever reason,
Yeah.
आप boycott कर दो, बात खत्म. Zara is not responsible for anything.
Just to add to this.
In
Zara
what
ने नहीं
sense?
करना है, जो आवाम को नहीं पसंद Zara नहीं करेगा. अगर उसका
हाँ,
चीज
नहीं.
बिक रही है तो बिकेगी, नहीं
Okay,
बिकेगी
just
नहीं.
Yeah,
to
yeah,
add to the
brands
fact like Neeraj
will-
said, we all like go through the Ramadan season and Ramadan में आप देखते हो कि every brand is doing CSR mostly. जिसने कभी भी नहीं किया वो भी parcels दे रहा है. Like even it's a food brand, even it's a clothes
Yeah, yeah.
brand, everyone is doing that. So if like it's only for the sales, then why are we doing it? We need to do like brands. I think brands do it because they have earned that spot, but they want to have that appeal among the people as well.
वो चीज
no,
बिक-
I think
that's a return.
largely brands care about sales more than other things.
That's the only
However,
thing.
Why
in terms
won't
of-
you? यहाँ
Yeah.
पे लाना चाह रहे हो consumerism.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
वही तो है.
Let's talk about. Okay. देखो सबके लिए बड़ा आसान है कि यार ब्रांड्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अच्छा करना है एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, ठीक है. मुझे ऐसे लगता है इट्स अ पर्सनल थिंग, ठीक है. फॉर मी इफ आई एम रनिंग एनी ऑफ द बिजनेस, अगर मैं कोई अच्छा इनिशिएटिव लेता हूँ या कुछ करता हूँ, दैट इज बिकॉज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इट, ठीक है. इट्स माय पर्सनल थिंग. आई एम अ स्मॉल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आई कैन डू इट. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ग्लोबल ब्रांड्स वेयर दे हैव लॉट ऑफ शेयर होल्डर्स, दे आर पब्लिक लिस्टेड, और इवन इफ दे आर बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फॉर देम द ओनली थिंग दैट मैटर्स आर द numbers, ठीक है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाई the numbers matter, because if the numbers are growing, that means the people who are involved in it are growing. At the same time पे why do they do good, or I don't think they have a responsibility first of all, ठीक है. मतलब अगर वो लोग करते हैं ये corporate social responsibility का budget and all those things, मुझे ऐसा लगता है these are always there to create marketing impacts, and I think as advertisers we need to utilize it, ठीक है. Does not matter कि what is the intention behind it, it matters कि what is the outcome of it, ठीक है. So मुझे मेरे लिए outcome is more important than the main thought behind, ठीक है. अगर मैं कहता हूँ कि जी हम लोगों ने सोचा, लेट्स से फॉर एक्स, लेट्स स्टॉप नेम कॉलिंग ब्रांड्स, ठीक है, बट लेट्स से कि आपने एक ब्रांड सोचा जिन लोगों ने पैलेस्टाइन के लिए चैरिटी की, ठीक है. अब डज इट मैटर कि व्हाट वाज द इंटेंशन टू डू इट, और डज इट मैटर कि जो है ना उन लोगों ने किया. मेरे लिए मैटर करता है कि उन्होंने किया, ठीक है. लोगों ने मैकडॉनल्ड्स को बहुत थ्रैश किया, एंड अगेन मैं मैकडॉनल्ड्स को बोलूंगा तो देयर विल बी लाइक 100-200 पीपल हु वुड बी अगेंस्ट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. बट देखो McDonald's is an organization, ठीक है. अब McDonald's is a global organization. Everybody owns in different country franchises, ठीक है. अब franchise के तौर पे how their marketing पाकिस्तान उनकी मर्जी है, ठीक है. अगर उनकी इंटरनेशनल चेन ने कुछ किया तो you can't have these people can't take the impact of it ना, ठीक है. उन लोगों ने as a gesture they decided to donate, I think if I'm not wrong 2 से 4 करोड़ रुपया उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग ना देंगे, ठीक है. Because of what was happening, they still try to show that they are on the right side of the field, ठीक है. But people were not willing to let go because they like end पे तो उन्हीं को पैसे जा रहे हैं ना, इंटरनेशनल वाले को जा रहे हैं, और this is supporting war.
But
so,
you don't.
मुझे
But
ऐसा
in terms
लगता
of
है
the franchise, I just have a question.
Let me just do it. अगर वो ये ना भी करते ना, लोग फिर भी मैकडॉनल्ड्स खा रहे थे.
अभी भी खा रहे हैं.
पाकिस्तान में अभी भी खा रहे हैं, ठीक है. So it, in all honesty, it should not be in that way कि उनकी responsibility नहीं है. They are a brand, they need to sell. If they do good, any brand. If they do good, it is up to them. If they don't do good, it is up to them. If you don't support what they're doing, stop buying them.
Exactly.
ठीक है.
It's very simple.
There is no responsibility कि भाई आपको करना है अच्छा, ठीक है. भाई आपकी मर्जी है यार, ना करो.
पेप्सी किसकी जरूरत है, कोक किसकी जरूरत है.
आपने रमजान की एग्जांपल दी. रमजान, सॉरी वो sorry from the release.
Oh my god, Arabic.
So आपने
अभी रिसेंटली किसी ने कहा कि हम अपना कल्चर अरब से लेते हैं.
आपने रमजान की एग्जांपल दी. रमजान में क्या होता है कि as marketeers we're like this is an opportunity to make something impactful, ठीक है. In all honesty, the amount of money you are spending on an ad, ठीक है, उतने ही लोगों को आप खाना खिला सकते हो, रोजा रखवा सकते हो, ठीक है. तो it is a marketing thing, ठीक है. But does it impact? मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि रमजान के एड या रमजान के एड्स आर ओनली बाद में हमें देखने के लिए यार कि यार इस ब्रांड ने बड़ा अच्छा किया है, उसके साथ कंपैरिजन है, ठीक है. None of them are making impact.
I agree that it's all for like a surface value. I agree that it's all like most of these campaigns, if not all of these campaigns, are marketing ploys to position the company in a much better light. However, like
no, but फिर सर्फ एक्सेल को बहुत बुरा भला है. मैं इस पे आपकी बात पे आता हूँ. पर सर्फ एक्सेल कई बार if I'm not wrong वो करता था कि जो from every sale उस पे से स्कूल को इतना जाएगा. बहुत लोगों ने ब्रांड से किया. यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट इज द राइट वे टू डू इट, ठीक है. आप अपने कंज्यूमरिज्म को नहीं इफेक्ट करें, ठीक है. सेम टाइम पे यू आर क्रिएटिंग एन इम्पैक्ट, बट इवन इफ इट्स फॉर अ मतलब आप उसको मार्केटिंग की सेक भी कर रहे हो ना, ठीक है, you're still doing something good, ठीक है. Again, it's not your responsibility to handle that, ठीक है. But if you're doing it, I say thank you to all the brands. I say thank you to all the organizations who are doing corporate, who are doing CSR campaigns, who are making a impact, making a change. But same time, I would never dismiss a brand if they're not doing it.
Yeah. I have the same opinion for films, music, anything.
यार लेकिन मैं एक बात बताता हूँ, उधर मेरा थोड़ा सा पर्सपेक्टिव.
अच्छा मेरा सेम है.
मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव उधर
जो बनाना चाह रहा है बनाए. अगर आपको ऑपोजिट फील होता है उल्टा बना लो.
No matter what happens, people want to beat the name out or whatever. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, एग्जांपल मुझे लगता है कि आप ना, for example, as a people, Malala should have spoken, ठीक है. Many other celebrities should have spoken if they felt that cause was like.
नहीं ये तो पर्सनल है ना.
No, मैं वही बात कर रहा हूँ कि देखो responsibility of brand is separate. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Responsibility of people who are at power.
That is different,
It
yeah.
is there. It
That
needs
is
to
different,
be.
yeah.
If you
How
see
different
something,
is it?
it's very
Like it's a
different.
genuine
देखो,
question because
वैसे
our
organi-
brands not
देखो
also not
organization
empowered.
is देखो और मैं आपको बताता हूँ let's say I own Nestle मैं Nestle खरीद नहीं सकता
Maybe
but
someday,
anyway, क्या है?
someday.
Yes.
Let's say you own a
देखो,
multinational corporation.
manifest भी ना वो करनी चाहिए जो reality पे ऊपर है चलो ये इसकी वाली बेहतर है
I own
maybe
Nestle.
I own a multinational
Yeah.
company ठीक है I am present in Pakistan, I'm present in India, I'm present in US, I'm maybe present in
Of an MNC.
क्या कहते हैं Israel as well, maybe for example, ठीक है I am running a business,
Yeah.
ठीक है For me, it matters how my product sells, ठीक है
Yeah.
Even if I don't agree with whatever is happening, and I don't agree with whatever is happening, to clarify, मैं नहीं agree करता, ठीक है Any kind of life being lost is wrong,
Yeah.
and people need to condemn it. अगर मैं उसको बिजनेस रन कर रहा हूँ वो बिजनेस एक ना वही बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स आते हैं देयर इज अ होल स्टेक होल्डर्स एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू रन इन दैट वे अगेन बिजनेस की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी नहीं है मी एज अ पर्सन
Yes.
ठीक है आई वुड बिकॉज आई स्ट्रांगली कंडेम आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव इन दैट मैं ये कहूंगा कि भाई इजराइल से जितना भी आपको रेवेन्यू आ रहा है आई डोंट वांट दैट ठीक है एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे ठीक है आई वुड से कि फॉर दैट आई डू नॉट सपोर्ट दैट आई विल नॉट टेक अ सिंगल मनी व्हिच इज बीइंग टेकन फॉर दैट मैं अपना पर्सनल स्टांस रख सकता हूँ ठीक है बट माई पर्सनल स्टांस इवन इफ इट इम्पैक्ट्स द बिजनेस आई वुड नॉट केयर बिकॉज दैट इज माई स्टांस ठीक है एंड आई बट दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम
But if you are the owner of an MNC, how much is your personal stance of value if you're not using the resources and the power that you have through your MNC to make a change with that?
Why should I use my why should I use my MNC's resources to break the chain? I would use my personal resources.
Yeah,
that
nah.
is what I'm saying.
Personal और professional
मेरा-
separate होना
मैंने
चाहिए।
पैसे बनाए मैंने करोड़ों अरबों रुपए डॉलर्स बनाए ठीक है उन अरबों रुपए से मैं अगर कुछ कर सकता हूँ मैं करूंगा मेरी कंपनी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है इट इज नॉट देयर कंसर्न दैट्स अ बिजनेस ठीक है दैट्स व्हाट आई
But
But
you
say-
not
But it's
feel
a
like
lot.
it. But I have a
Business
genuine
team.
I would like to
question
add
here.
on to this जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लोग इलॉन मस्क को बैश कर रहे थे आई एग्री विद दैट कि यार फलाने ने ये किया उसने ये किया लेकिन लोग टेस्ला या स्पेसएक्स को बैश नहीं कर सकते आप इलॉन मस्क को कर सकते
Agree.
हैं आप SpaceX
Agree.
को
I
नहीं
have a
कर
question
Agree.
here. I have a question. Okay, are we not in that stage कि आपने मलाला की बात की? I'm not talking about like CEOs. I'm talking about influencers and
Okay.
those people.
Celebrities, yeah.
Are they not brands in of themselves? हमने have you seen
Yeah.
the
That
boys?
is a
right?
different
Yeah,
story.
You've seen how
They have become
how an
brands.
influencer is
Yeah.
managed as a
अलग
brand.
बात है वो एक
Yeah,
अलग
yeah,
बात है
Sir,
वो एक अलग ब्रांड है
मलाला
वो
की एग्जांपल इसलिए दी मलाला kept on saying देखो मलाला बहुत अच्छी एग्जांपल दी है मैंने वो उसका ब्रांड क्या है ठीक है औरतों की पढ़ाई एंड वो शीज
Oppression के against,
बेटी पढ़ाओ।
yeah.
ठीक है
What?
बेटी पढ़ाओ ये मैंने प्लग इन मारा है
ओके मतलब उसका ये ब्रांड है ठीक है अगर
समय
उसके
रहना।
ब्रांड में इट्स ऑल अबाउट हैविंग द फ्रीडम टू लिव दैट इज हर टेक्निकली ब्रांड ठीक है there is a country which is taking away the freedom of
That's
people,
exactly what
ठीक
I'm
है?
saying. ना, as
Shouldn't
a,
she be
yes,
exactly
हाँ,
that
as
is
a
where-
as a brand वाला influencer,
Yeah.
you have the duty to actually.
Yeah.
say
सर
something.
अगर फॉर
जहाँ भी इंसान attached है, वहाँ पे
एग्जांपल अगर फॉर एग्जांपल शाहरुख खान नहीं बोलता
Yeah.
ठीक है बट वो इसलिए नहीं बोलता ये मैटर करते हैं अगेन वी डोंट नो व्हाट पर्संस एक इंसान के दिल में क्या है अगर वो इसलिए नहीं बोलता कि ही डज नॉट बिलीव इन इट फाइन दैट्स हिज पर्सनल बिलीव मे बी ही इज ओके विद द मैसेकर एग्जांपल के तौर पे बात कर रहा हूं ठीक है बट इफ ही डजंट स्पीक बिकॉज इट इम्पैक्ट्स हिज बिजनेस अगेन मुझे ऐसा लगता है गलत है मुझे लगता है कि हम इंसानों को जब इतनी पावर और इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली है इतना हम we're blessed कि हम लोग इस पोजीशन पे पहुंच गए इट डज फॉर वॉट एवर इम्पैक्ट इट डज ऑन आवर रेवेन्यू व्हेन वी हैव the source of power we should speak up
That's
ठीक है?
exactly
but
my
that
point.
is what my
That's what I
belief
was
ठीक
saying.
है I will not enforce my belief on you I will not enforce my belief on
And
you
the
I will
reason-
not enforce my belief on anyone if
Final
you have the
point.
power say it.
फाइनल पॉइंट another reason why I believe कि brands को नहीं आना चाहिए is because जैसे for example I think Starbucks था कौन सा था जिसने अपना एक एम्प्लॉय फायर कर दिया because वो पैलेस्टाइन की सपोर्ट कर रहा था क्यों
I know lots of brands in India
Yeah, lots of brands.
क्यों क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ब्रांड ने एक पोजीशन दी थी
हाँ.
ब्रांड कोई पोजीशन ले ही ना तो वो एम्प्लॉय भी फायर नहीं होगा सेम रूल शुड बी अप्लाइड ऑन द अदर साइड
Okay.
ब्रांड शुड नॉट हैव एनी पोजीशन ब्रांड शुड स्टे न्यूट्रल इट्स
Agreed.
लोगों
That
का-
is what I
guys-
said.
अगर
Okay,
उसने
I have a question
स्टारबक्स
on
में कोई
this.
पैलेस्टाइन सपोर्टर है रहे काम करता रहे कोई इजराइल सपोर्टर है करता रहे काम
Okay.
Why should anyone take a
I have a
stand
question
on
on this. So in today's day and age, where we talk about consumerism and we talk about the influence that consumers have on brands and how successful they are and how profitable they are, because essentially, like brands need consumers. Yes. as people, as advertisers, as people who work in brands and have worked with brands, do you not think that brands need to value what their consumers believe in, what their consumers' principles are, and if you think that that is true, should brands not hold positions?
So
So
I
one
will
thing
start.
that I
I wanna
would say
start.
in this,
हाँ,
you can
आप
start. I just want to give an example of Nike. So even like if you move away from like the Israel-Palestine issue,
Yeah, we're moving away. We're
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about advertising.
Yeah,
We're
we're talking about
how
advertising.
ads make
Yeah,
impact,
so
how campaigns make
a few
impact.
years back, I think it was 2016 when the Black Lives Matter movement started in America. Yes, so I mean I think it was 2016, but so when
I think it was way before, but anyways.
I mean, yeah, it was way before, but that was when like it held a lot
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
There was a lot of uproar on social
Yeah.
media against it.
2020 में भी हुआ था
2020 में भी हुआ था.
तो
Maybe it was
2020 Me
2020.
Too भी तो उसी के पास पास
Me Too से पहले हुआ था
Me Too 2017 में हुआ था, so maybe it was 2020. But okay, when the Black Lives Matter movement happened, when George Floyd specifically was
That was
killed,
2020, yeah.
That was 2020, yeah, that's true. It was 2020. But when George Floyd was killed, and then they had this Colin Kaepernick, who was I think a NBA player, he took the knee while the while the American national anthem was happening. Right, this was something that was talked a lot about on social media. It was documented a lot. It was a big move. After that,
bend the knee sorry
yeah, so after that, there were a lot of people who were with him. There were a lot of people who were against it. A lot of people were like, keep politics out of sports. A lot of people were like, why would you keep politics out of sports, right? So after that, Nike did like a campaign and they did advertisements with Colin Kaepernick. And like brands were like, they weren't working with him anymore. They removed him as ambassador. So brands made their position clear on the stance. He stood with Black Lives Matter. They removed him. They made their position clear that they don't stand with Black Lives Matter. But then Nike chose him as an ambassador. They chose to do advertisements with him. They chose to make him the face of their campaigns and their advertisements. Now, yeah, it can be very well be a marketing ploy. It can very well be to appease to a certain type of consumer. But then, in that case, consumer behavior is influencing the political stance that they're taking.
एग्जांपल
मैं एक बात
That's
कहूंगा
actually very good
बहुत
example.
मजा आया एग्जांपल का क्या I
सिर्फ
think
एक बात कहता हूँ
वो होता है ना कभी कोई बहुत मजा आया
अच्छा।
जेन्युइनली बहुत
इसका एक
मजा आया।
छोटा सा आंसर मुझे किसी ने कहा था मेरा अपना नहीं हुई है प्रोडक्ट अच्छा या बुरा नहीं होता प्रोडक्ट वो होता है जो बिकता है
हाँ.
तो जो चीज बिक गई वो चलेगी
बिक-
जो नहीं बिक रही वो नहीं बिकेगी बात खत्म अगर कंज्यूमर ऐसे क्योंकि एक पॉलिटिकल चीज चल रही है कंज्यूमर
अच्छा,
प्रेफर करता है कि मैं वो चीज खरीदूं
हाँ लेकिन देखो जरा बात ये कि
बिकता है तो सही है।
वी आर इन दैट एज
नहीं बिकता तो नाले stance
देखो
बात।
नहीं आई डिसएग्री विद दिस आज के जमाने में आप एक प्रोडक्ट नहीं बाय करते आप एक वाकई एक ब्रांड बाय करते हो यू इन्वेस्ट इन अ ब्रांड यू नेवर इन्वेस्ट इन अ प्रोडक्ट अब वो जमाना बदल गया
हाँ.
सो
Today, just to add something to that, today's consumer market is genuinely a lot smarter than it used to be. They're a lot more aware of what the brands that they associate with are doing. That is why, even if we come back to the Palestine-Israel issue, that is why people are taking sides. That is why they are boycotting. Like some
सही
people
कह
are
रहे हैं।
boycotting brands, and some people aren't boycotting those brands because they are taking sides.
Yeah.
They are making their stances. known.
लोग
But
सही
let's
कर
go
रहे
back.
हैं लोगों का ओपिनियन सही है लोगों को अब ब्रांड चाहता है कि यार मेरी फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे जूते नहीं बिक रहे तो मैं अब इजराइल को साइड पे कर दूं पैलेस्टाइन को तो ब्रांड करे लेकिन टू बिगिन विद इट्स नॉट ब्रांड की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी
So,
लोगों के लिए करना है
मैं-
कोई
मैं
उस
ये
चीज
बात
बात
नहीं
नहीं
कर
करेगा
रहा।
या देखो तेरा मैं
It's
अब
capitalistic
नहीं
society.
नहीं मैं आपको F1 की एग्जांपल देता हूँ डू यू रिमेंबर व्हेन वो कौन सी टीम थी ये जो उसकी गंथर वाली टीम है क्या नाम है उसका
हास
Haas, when Haas had like a Russian sponsor,
हाँ.
and then the war broke out between Russia and Ukraine,
हाँ.
they dropped that sponsor. It was
हाँ.
a big hit for them.
Because
But
these
they did
things
it
make
because
us
एक perception होता
because
था.
the car was American they couldn't have taken that sponsor anymore
Exactly, they couldn't have ना करने को देखो ऑन पेपर तो वो कर सकते थे ना कोई लीगल इशू तो नहीं था बट एक परसेप्शन की वजह से उन्होंने वो स्पॉन्सर ड्रॉप किया ना दे टुक अ हिट बिकॉज़ दे केयर्ड अबाउट व्हाट देयर ब्रांड पोजीशन
चेल्सी
वाज
का ओनर हटाया गया था इसी वजह से बहुत जिंदगी में गम है इस बात का
सो यू कांट सेपरेट अ ब्रांड फ्रॉम अ प्रोडक्ट मुझे नहीं लगता
नहीं मैं
मुझे-
नहीं कह रहा
मेरा-
मैं सिर्फ
मैं
ये
इसी के
कि
point
ब्रांड
पे-
की रिस्पांसिबिलिटी नहीं है अगर ब्रांड को हिट हो रही है तो ब्रांड को चाहिए अकल इस्तेमाल करे वो करे
यार,
जो कंज्यूमर को
but-
है
अच्छा I'll say from a very different perspective ठीक है I'll say which people don't talk about there is a thing called हम बहुत ज्यादा अपने उसमें यूज करते हैं it's called brand positioning ठीक है मुझे ऐसा लगता है yes it is a marketing gimmick
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yeah, exactly.
150 क्या 200% it is a marketing gimmick ठीक है but why are you not considering कि brand at times wants to take certain stance because they want to position themselves that way
Yeah.
ठीक है if brands are positioning themselves as eco-friendly ठीक है that is because they're not there is अच्छा चलो इससे इको फ्रेंडली की बजाय ना एक और बड़ी एग्जांपल लेते हो बड़े इस वक्त यू लिव्ड इन यूके फॉर अ व्हाइल ठीक है यू ट्रैवल्ड टू चलो टर्की स्टिल अ मुस्लिम
I've also traveled to UK.
you've traveled to UK as well many
And other
restaurants
places.
many restaurants
British
Huh?
Sorry, my bad.
Globetrotter.
many restaurants
Restaurants? Yes,
re-
sorry.
It's restaurants, innit?
Okay, no, we will cut
We
that
will-
out.
yeah.
Yes, please. Many
Many
restaurants.
don't cut it, but anyways, काफी restaurants और काफी सारे food chains have started to adapt halal food.
Yeah.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
Now, when they're adapting halal food, they're not losing out on their customers who
Are
eat-
non-Muslims.
or non-Muslims.
Yeah.
ठीक है? What they're doing is they're just increasing their brand
Market.
profile or
Yeah.
audience profile because
Yeah.
that's the brand positioning they're doing. There's no harm in doing it. If Nike had done Black Lives Matter, तो वो लोग अपने ना कस्टमर्स की सिर्फ रीच इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं ठीक है
In a way, targeting to these people also.
इन अ वे
Yeah,
ठीक है
agreed.
इफ यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग कि जी हम एंटी इजराइल कैंपेन करते हैं या अभी लेबनान के खिलाफ हो रहा है तो फिर इसके बारे में एंटी इजराइल करते हैं दैट मींस यू आर टेकिंग a different stance
You're
ठीक
taking
है
a stance,
when
yeah.
that will might decrease the revenue of that company that's why most of the brands are not taking those sides some brands are I like Huda Beauty took a clear stance she
Yeah,
did not care
agreed.
about her what kind of audience she's going to lose and stuff but she took a stance the same way मुझे ऐसा लगता है ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग इज द मेन कीवर्ड
Yeah.
ओवर हियर कि आप अपने आप को पोजीशन कैसे करना चाहते हो लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोगों ने अपना ही यहाँ एक ब्रांड बनाया है एग्जिस्ट के नाम से व्हिच इज कॉल्ड एक्सप्रेसिव स्टोरी सैडली इट्स अ ब्रांड प्लगइन एट द सेम टाइम बट वी
Sadly.
हाँ, मतलब आई एम मेकिंग अ वेरी लॉजिकल पॉइंट आई जस्ट
Yeah,
डिड नॉट
yeah,
वांट टू
continue.
प्लग इन द ब्रांड सो एग्जिस्ट पे वी टुक अ स्टांस कि यार इस वक्त ना बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट एंड एवरीबॉडी आर गेटिंग एक्सप्लॉइटेड बाय बिगर ब्रांड्स their talents are not getting used ठीक है
Yeah.
same way people who are handicrafts people and stuff like that उनको ना लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उनसे पीनट्स में खरीदते हैं एंड उनको ले आते हैं ठीक है हमने अपने ब्रांड को पोजीशन इस तरह किया कि वी केयर व्हाट दोज आर्टिस्ट और व्हाट दोज कम्युनिटी पीपल आर डूइंग हम लोग उनको प्लेटफॉर्म देने लगे हम उनको प्लेटफॉर्म देने की वजह से क्या आर वी नॉट जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू वी आर जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू आर वी नॉट मार्केटिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स वी आर मार्केटिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स इट इज द ब्रांड पोजिशनिंग which is like if I decided to do that I have positioned it that way it is only going to increase my sale I have my own products to sell but adding this thing is not taking anything away from me it is just giving that so मुझे ऐसा लगता है ब्रांड अपने आप को ऐसी जगह जरूर पोजीशन करते हैं जहां they are able to gain more things rather than lose out on those things
I have a question.
Yeah.
But were you responsible to do it?
I was not
Exactly.
I could
बात
have
खत्म
skipped
हो
it.
गई. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming to the podcast.
no I really like
I
that.
still think, I think maybe not many years before, but in today's day and age, their brands have.
यार आप तो
Yeah, I
इंटरनेशनल
also
मेंस
feel
डे
that.
के खिलाफ है आपकी तो बात ही नहीं सुन
Oh.
रहा
I didn't say nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
you don't know
not-
this?
please,
You and I
please
need to
not
talk
discuss
after the
this.
podcast,
Not
yeah.
discuss
I am a feminist, but this is not okay.
I am a meninist, and this is not okay.
Obviously.
Men in this Torendana.
I'm not a meninist. I just
Okay,
said that.
so I think we'll wrap up.
Yeah.
It was insightful.
I do have
discussion.
one last
Oh yeah,
question.
yeah. Let's
Yeah.
do this. Let's do one closing question.
It's not a closing
And,
question, but it's a fun question.
Okay.
So, no, it's not a fun fact.
Yeah.
Closing
Name
question is.
You just said it was not a closing question.
No, oh yeah, sorry, my bad. My bad. I make mistakes sometimes.
पानी लाओ.
So my question is, so we've talked about brands and how they take on social movements and they take on these perceptions of the consumers and they create campaigns and advertisements from it. What are examples of brands doing it badly?
Oh, that is interesting.
I don't want to answer this.
Let's
that
not
way.
name
I don't want to answer
Name नहीं
that
करते
at
campaigns
all.
पे आते हैं.
Campaign
I
के बाद.
don't.
I
How
will
about
answer okay
this.
with the name of a campaign because I feel like that was very.
Kylie Jenner Pepsi.
Oh
Kendall
yes,
Jenner,
वो तो
but
ठीक है.
yes,
वो तो
Kendall
पूरी
Jenner,
दुनिया को
yes.
पता है
हाँ
ना.
वो तो पूरी दुनिया को पता है. Like I think even Pepsi acknowledged it like it was a bad move. But yes, for anybody who wasn't aware of this campaign, so when Black Lives Matter happened and protests were happening in America, Pepsi launched a campaign or like an advertisement with Kendall Jenner, in which she is part of the protesters. And the police are there, and this was at a point where like the police brutality was
Exactly.
a very big topic.
Exactly. That's why it's
police
like
yeah.
sensitive.
Police brutality, especially when it came to like protesters and like fighting against protesters, killing protesters, things like that. That was a very very big conversation and a very big issue that was happening in America. So Pepsi decided to join in on the conversation by starting a by having an advertisement in which Kendall Jenner is a part of a Black Lives Matter protest, and she goes to the police that is there with like their shields and their tear gases, and she hands them a can of Pepsi. And Pepsi brings joy to the world and ends racism.
That was so bad.
But we
Horrible.
are wrapping this in
Yeah.
3
Yeah.
minutes. We have
Yeah.
our production.
Quick example. Happy
Our
Thursday.
production team and the producers telling us to
Okay.
really stop. Anyways,
We can cut
you
this
have
out.
some. I don't want to name.
Okay.
Honestly, I would refrain naming a lot of campaigns over
Yeah.
here because at the end of the day, we all have done shit campaigns in our life.
That's
ठीक
right.
है? मतलब in general, at times it is because the brand wants it. At times it's because maybe we suck. At times, like all of us. I'm not talking about me.
I also
in general,
think
ठीक है?
at times it is because brands want to utilize the influence and the popularity that they get from agreeing with their consumers and joining
Yeah.
in on their movements, but they haven't done the appropriate research and they don't have
Yeah.
the appropriate principles to be able to
Babar
execute
Azam.
it.
Daniel, Shariar,
Babar
Zariya,
Azam
आप
sir.
लोग कोई एक
Level
Yes,
Level
please campaign.
I took the
I did Pepsi.
I plead fifth, so that's
I
why
said
I
Pepsi
have
candle.
another example.
Jenner.
you have
Which-
example.
Kylie Jenner, sorry.
I like how
Okay, thing.
Okay. I won't name the brand because I don't think I'm remembering it correctly, but it was a sports associated brand. They wanted to increase people going to the gym and like associate the brand with like gym and fitness and things. So they had a title, an advertisement copy that was cheat on your girlfriend, but don't cheat on your workout. Yeah, that was the thing that happened. I don't even know what they were going for with that.
I think
Ooh.
we're एक और गंदी campaign आ गई इसके बाद.
हाँ आ तो गई. So
Don't name the brand.
Okay, a
and say-
fast food chain released a tweet that was women belong in the kitchen, and they did it because they wanted to promote how 20% of chefs are women, which is like a very low percentage, and like more
No,
women
that
should
doesn't
belong.
even make
Should
sense
be-
statistically. It doesn't
What?
make sense. That doesn't make sense statistically.
Yeah.
That 20% of women are chefs.
No, why they would use that statistic
Yeah.
to send that tweet?
Yeah.
Yeah. So their perception was we should include more women as part of like the culinary industry, and like we should give them opportunities and make a space for them. But for some reason they chose the very sexist and very misogynistic statement of women belong in the kitchen.
अब इस तरह की पैनल बैठा होगा 4 लौंडे women winner.
But yeah.
Still thinking.
It's fine.
Okay.
I'd like to thank you all for. if
कोई
you
और
have-
नहीं करेगा, मुझे ही छोड़ दिया अकेला इधर.
यार
I did Pepsi, Kylie
Okay.
Jenner.
He did Pepsi. Kendall Jenner.
Kendall Jenner, the same
मुझे
thing. Potato,
इतना
potato.
कोई हॉरिफाइंग वो पॉलिटिकली वाला नहीं था, लेकिन सिंपल सा है जो बाबर आजम का किया था लेवल ही और है. लाइक दैट वाज सच अ
कौन सा
बैड.
था?
ये पैंथर टायर्स का था इस तरह का.
Yeah, I'm not, she's not talking about bad ads. She's just talking about ke at times.
A social
I
movement
know.
used
I know,
badly.
yeah. Social movement वाला
Yeah.
नहीं, I don't think so.
Yeah,
Government वाले ads जैसे होते हैं
again,
normally बुरी.
मैं एक example दे दूंगा. Recently I saw it.
Yeah.
And I will name the brand.
Okay.
कल को आना भी चाहेगा. I'm sorry if that is the brand. I don't want them. ठीक है. खिलाफत कोला.
Oh my god.
yeah.
उसके ऊपर पूरा podcast लोगों ने किए हुए हैं. वो जाके वो
मतलब
podcast देख लें.
खिलाफत, if people don't know, please search it और शायद थोड़ी सी आप देख लो. So they use that Palestine and Israel conflict. उस पे उन लोगों ने अपनी कोला का नाम बनाया खिलाफत कोला, and they are telling people to believe in this, and people are revolutionizing कि भाई कोको कोला ना पीना, ये खिलाफत कोला पी लेना, ठीक है. और वही लाल रंग की उन्होंने पूरा ad बनाया. That is how
दिखा
they're
भी
selling
Coca-Cola
their
की तरह ही है.
brand.
So there was
ठीक है.
another.
So this is the only brand I want.
There was another song जो माहिरा खान feature कर रहा है.
1 minute 30 second, but
And like Reem Rice ने एक पूरा गाना किया था. Like it was the whole song revolves around the domestic violence and the abuse that this woman is going to go through after marriage. So basically the visuals show that she's getting ready, like उसको मेहंदी लगा रहे हैं and वो पूरी ceremony हो रही है and कोई गाने बजाने वाली like वहाँ पे उन्होंने एक औरतें something बुलाई हुई, and that was very low of like them terming them as like गाने बजाने वाली औरतें, and like all of them are like singing this whole song, and that song like is like featuring के okay like अभी तो मेहंदी लग रही है, बाद में तुम्हें चित्तर पड़ेंगे and this and that. The whole it's a campaign done by Reem Rice. It's on TV, it's on digital everywhere.
What is
Yeah.
the purpose? of
I'll
the
ignore what he just said and will not continue this anymore.
Okay.
Anyways,
Well,
thank
yeah.
you all. We're gonna wrap it up.
was
I think
done well.
I'm not sure कि ये कौन सी episode है, but we have few more to go. So
Yeah.
keep asking us question. If you
Yeah.
want to follow. If you want to subscribe. If you don't want to do any of those things. We had a blast.
We had a
I think
really
it
good time.
helps
Yeah.
us after these sessions when we go actually back to work. it adds a lot of value. It adds a lot of narrative which we might not be talking in the room, but after these things we take a lot back.
Yeah.
And thank you all.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys think ads can change the world. But yeah,
इन दोनों को प्लीज ये टॉक्सिक लोग हैं इनको ठीक है अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.
Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.
It's me.